legit, and why was it shit? Shawty keep wanna come round, she wanna get hit.
She think she done made me, cause I keep her by my side. Double the bust on the watch, she know that I'm timeless.
I put my son in some red, I pull that gun off the head. Pockets on 22 clip. I'll make a heart, come I go so. Put on a shirt, get put on a blick. Feel like a stain, get ready to lit. I had to tell her that early since I was a dick. No, I was shit. She singing my songs, she wanna dial it. Tryna get hit, I take a bait. Deposit it big, deposit that check. Smile on my face, ain't paying shit. Come and get checked, ice on my neck. Roll her wrist, she in the sky, hell of a cat. Push her to church, 400 packs.
Yeah, I spend it in Paris. Just for these hoes, they finna flock. Just for fun, it's so they pop. Them just finna hit, I'm feeling imp. I'm rusting the all on my divas. I
feel like a rock.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If don't was you, I would cut up my wrist. XO tatted all over my body. She was slow, going on your mind, yeah. Ever since I was a G, I've been legit. Oh, now you should let her go. She wanna be next. Double O tatted on her body, yeah. It don't matter what they say, I'm timeless. City on fire when I'm coming home. Fill up the sky, I fill up the dome. They'll play it one day, it's a hell of a show. But it's gonna hurt, cause we did it first. Feel like skateboard beat, BBC boys on the creep. Feel like it's 03, Neptune drum with a beat. She hit me flipping a beat, she wanna fuck with the team. She fell in love with the cream, she fell in love with the scene. Oh yeah, her man quiet, not a beat. Broke his heart, PTSD. Hold his chest, let it breathe, let it breathe. Nigga scheming, I got a priest, he got a cross. Get out of line, send him to God. I shed a tear, break all laws, oh yeah. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut on my wrist. XO tatted all over her body, yeah. She just wanna roll and I don't mind it, yeah. Ever since I was a G, I've been legit, yeah. You should let her go, she wanna be this, oh no. Double O tatted on her body, yeah. It don't matter what they say, I'm timeless, 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 we timeless, oh timeless, 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 we timeless,
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later home, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. High stakes, risk it every day. I know fucking ugly niggas just not fun. Had to zero out the fade cause I'm not one. So smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 Yeah. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 On the front shoes, all getting ran through. Yeah, got ball with it. Yeah, I'm in a camp call with it. Yeah, I made phone calls with it. Yeah, I made bank calls with it. Yeah, in H-Town lately, where you find me? Yeah. Ride city, no ID. Yeah. Back of the biz where I find peace. Yeah. Peace popular. And need notchiness. From blue up in them. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 So smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 Yeah. Tell me your tale, do you see the road? I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size. Whenever the smoke clear out of my face and my picture perfect, do I look fried? All of that green and yellow that drip from your eyes is telling. Tell your demise, I'm with to my side to push back the ceiling and push back the feelings I had to the side. I replay them nights and right by my side, all I see is a sea of people that ride me. If they just knew what Scotty would do to jump out the stage and say I'm a child. The things are created became the most weighted. I gotta find balance and keep me a smile. Yeah. That shit wild, instead I'm a hero, I took it for zero. The flame you saying, I read it for miles. The shit wasn't luck, they got me fucked up. I put you on bus and take you around. Put a couple of guys inside of the school, I gave them the tools to get it off the ground. They say they're the ones, when they make their ears, can't look in the mirror. That shit wild, I stand on the stage, I give them the rage. I'm turning it down, contain it, keep out. We do in the streets, we do it for keys, we do it for rights. I'm 52 weeks, this shit ain't for pleasure, I'm coming to tweak. This shit is forever, ain't infinite, ain't no been 8 years, we write it and wrap it around and take me a beat and I turn to a beast. Bought the crib on the hill, made it harder to reach. Bought a couple more wheels cause I needed more speed. Bought a couple more watches, I needed more time. Didn't buy the condo, it was smarter to lease. And I bought some more ice cause I bought it and he made a cast on my dish. So she never go cheat. If I gave you a day in my life or a day in my eyes, don't blink.
I've been thinking about Lord. She told, and I run, like God, I've been thinking about on waste your time. I've been thinking about.
See all my life, I've been a good to make it beats. All the baby beaches. See all my life, swim across the ocean. See my baby going to broken. Change our mind, don't you even come. Like a baby boy, stars running.
Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning, chat. What's up? What's up? What's up?
She told, and I run, like God. Give me like a gun. Sing your song. I feel it in my bones. And I'm gonna know. Better yet, I know. Every time I go, come on, no. Step up in this bitch like I'm the one your bitch like. Yeah, I'm the one your bitch like. And I be talking shit like I ain't scared to lose a fist fight. And she grabbing on my like she wanna see if it'll fit right. That's just the way. Waves don't die. Let me grasp for the moment. I don't need to own it, no lie. Waves don't die, baby. Let me crash here for a moment. Baby, I done it. The sun don't shine in the shade. Bird can't fly in a cage. Even when somebody go away, the feelings don't really go away. That's just the way. Waves don't die. Let me grasp for the moment. I don't need to own you, no lie. Waves don't die, baby. Let me crash here for a moment. Baby, I don't
Guys, fucking my singing. I think it's pretty fun.
no lie. No lie.
No lie.
You set the night on fire. I'm still gonna be here in the morning. No lie.
forgot that's what they call them. Chris Breezy. What an amazing song, man. What an amazing record. Wow. Wow, dude. Wow.
Run a little bitch, you get hit. Give me that bit with the stick. Give me that bit with the key. I get that money like blow. I'm in that bit with little meat. I do this shit in my sleep. Shawty saw me, she so geek. Shawty for me, she so geek. I'm in that bitch and on fleek. I put BBs on my lips. Shawty can't wait to be lit. But when I get your gifts, get laid on your ass, you get. I play with that dirty little bitch. I need to mess with this heat. I need to get for my bitch. You know that chopper on me. You know that chopper on me. I get that motherfucker lit. Double C all on my sheet. Yo, chica in my beach. Christian Dior, I buy shit. Shawty gon' fuck on my drip. Shawty in love with my drip. I get that drip, you get drip. 220 all on that red. I get that drip, you get drip. I'm for that bitch, I'm a pimp. I'm a little but we not simple. I'm for that bitch, she get bent. We in that bitch with no tip.
I just beat from Cash, not from YouTube.
And this beat from Cash, not from YouTube.
I need it, I'm fiending. This little bitch is a demon.
I want it, I need it. Pussy so good, therapeutic.
If she got a shit together, you know I'ma breed it.
She don't got a shit together, you know she gon' keep it.
More of the story, you never could dump in the trees, bitch.
Every time she tell me she love me, I never believe it.
At a point, my heart so cold, anemic.
At a point, my heart so cold, it be freezing.
She can type to wipe your nose like she sneezing.
She the type to write your phone, blow it up, be fiending.
I'm the type to watch her core, act like I ain't see it.
Like, she the type of thought, so that I like she intuition.
Fist opposing, but I'm really creeping. We can make a vid and you can link it. She be liking when I spread her legs open and I range over and I eat it.
And you know that pussy be that bad, you gon' call me Michael J the way I beat it. Yeah, for sure, bitch. No, I like when you suck, when you slurp it. When your wife by that cocky, it's so perfect. Pussy so good, make a nigga nervous. I like when you come and get the squirting. I like just to come and put that work in.
You know me, I put my thumb in it on purpose. Papa get in it, get me in my Birkin.
This bitch is a demon, she get horny for no reason. She eating it up while I'm on the way to a meeting. Her pussy got power just like me, I need it. If she got a shit together.
Chat, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? What's up, everybody? Welcome to day 11. Chat, day 11, man. Yeah, I thought I was gonna take the day off today, huh? Everyone thought I was gonna take the day off today. But nah, man, this year, we're showing up to every single bank holiday there is. Don't care. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna start here. Every single bank holiday, chat. Even when there's no markets, we're showing up, bro. We're showing up, man. We're showing up. Chat. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, chat. Where's my chat box? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yo, yeah, today's a bank holiday, everybody. Today's a bank holiday, so it's MLK Day and also the Trump inauguration. So there's quite a bit going on today. I'm honestly just here for the crypto markets. Nah, I'm playing, but last time we had a day like this, we had the Biden inauguration, which was 2021 January 2020, I think, or January 2021. I think that was the day. You moved quite a bit that day too. You moved like I think it was like a 350 pip day overall. Today, you've already moved, I think 200, 220. So today is technically more volatile than Friday. Talking about yesterday, people were trying to tell me, yo, Don, there's no volume tomorrow. Don't trade it. Yeah, there's already more volume. It's not even an 8 a.m. opening yet. But yeah, I think the markets do close a bit earlier though. Let me check what time the markets close, because that I don't want to be in a trade and next thing you know, this thing is closed on us here. My email, right? Trading hours. Let's see. Okay, Forex and Meadows. Let's see. Monday, January 20th. Normal hours. All of that. Precious metals, normal. Foreign exchange, normal. Commodities, normal. Okay, so it looks like. Wait, no, I'm tripping. Commodities, normal hours. Yeah, FX, normal hours. Precious metals, early close. Oil, early close. Yeah, they're very good. Commodities for me close normal hours today, and then foreign exchange normal hours too. This is volume now at this point. So cool, we're good. We don't gotta worry about being in a trade midday. That's cool. Yeah, it's cool. All right, sick. So chat, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna, I'll say it'll be more of a, okay, it'll be a normal day, as long as the market presents itself for opportunities and positions. But if there's no opportunities, then we can't do anything about that, right? But looking at these ranges here, like this 1 hour range alone, it's an 80 pip range. It's pretty tradable. Pretty tradable. But yeah, chat, I mean, I'm expecting decent volume today. I'm not expecting like a dead like paint dry on the wall type of day today. I think for the last couple of bank holidays too, we've been moving pretty decently. Like, I don't remember the last time I had a bank holiday where we didn't move for some odd reason. But yeah, chat, one thing I will say, one small announcement is that no delay, Zoom links are officially back today. So let me just send the Zoom link. If you guys are an alumni, which is a past CFX member, or in the Signals channel, then you have access to a no delay stream, which is a Zoom link. So I'm gonna send that right now before I forget. Where is it? Where did he put it? Alumni announcement. No delay. Is let's see. Okay, so I guess I gotta send it in the channel. Alright, that's cool. Zoom No delay. Stream is now back. All right, cool. Signals now officially have access to the no delay streams. Now officially have access to the. Okay, cool. Cool, chat. Cool. So let me share my screen. Screen is shared. All right, cool. So yeah, everybody. Let's go do the analysis today and see what we got going on. All right, chat. Let's go do the analysis and see what we got going on. Jordy, we're back. Yes. Yo, is there a delay, Jordy? No, right? There shouldn't be a delay. Nah, yeah, it's like no delay at all. It's okay. Yeah, YouTube has a little delay, chat. It's like maybe like it's like a second, I'll say. I put it to the ultra low latency, the lowest it possibly could be, but there's always gonna be like a 1 second delay. If you have really good internet, a 1 second delay. If your internet's a little weak, then maybe like 3 second delay. But I'll try my best when entering positions, obviously, to tell you guys when I'm gonna enter ahead of time. The only way we can really solve that is if I start doing like, if I start having like buy stops again, like I used to, or sell stops again, because then we get activate at the same price point. But since we market execute more now, it's a little more of an issue. Okay, chat. So let's go to this analysis, all right? So what do we have going on today? We have US Bank holiday, right? We have MLK Day and a Trump inauguration. There are normal hours for me today on sorry, there's gonna be normal hours for me today when it comes to trading on my broker. So I'm not sure about you. You want to make sure you check out your broker to see what time you guys close at, but you want to make sure you check unless in case you get into a trade and the market closes or something. But here's what I got going on today, chat. So I'm looking at the weekly on gold, right? Or at the monthly on gold. And or yeah, monthly, I guess, too. You have 11 days left. You've been pushing up so far this month. You've had like higher lows being created, I think twice already. The month started down here. So let's zoom in. The month started right here, chat. All right. The month started right here. Right here. This is the month, right? You made what? Higher low, higher low, higher low. So the weekly doesn't have a bottom wick, and this is why I'm bringing this up, because if the weekly doesn't have or the monthly doesn't have a bottom wick, but the weekly, if you drop down to the weekly time frame, it's forming higher lows. What does that mean? That indicates that we have structure formed on the monthly. There is structure going up, right? If there was no structure, then what price would be looking like probably is just like this the last 3 weeks, right? But it has higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It's been coming out for bottom. So it's been doing its job when it's creating structure, which means that it's less likely to just reverse. If it were to just reverse, it would have to break quite a bit of levels. It have to break this level. So this becomes a level now. This becomes a level now. And this becomes a level now. Instead of like, if you don't have structure, look how easy it was to break last time. You didn't have structure here. What happened? It just came down, right? No problem at all. But when you have structure, it's a bit harder to come down. You need like kind of closures below the range, etc. So that's why with the monthly having no bottom wick, I'm not too worried. A lot of guys probably like, well, Don, don't you think the monthly is gonna flip bearish? It can, but am I too worried about the flip? Not really, just because like you have structure being created up. if it were to flip bearish on the monthly, it would have done so as it came down for a bottom wick here, 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 here. But it didn't. It never did. Or sorry, not the first one, but at least here, here, here. It never did. It would have done it here, or it would have done it here. It would have flipped it, but it didn't. So what does that say? That says that, okay, the monthly looks like it's likely going to close bullish. And if anything, likely to continue driving up. The weekly looking the way it looks, chat, it looks pretty good. What do you have here? You have your resistance, which is up here. I'm going off of this right here, right? I'm gonna go off of these levels right here, this level and this level. So looking at that, looking left, I would say that's your resistance, right? Then you are likely to tap into that zone there. So I think last week you did tap that zone. That was a no topic zone right there, no topic zone here. Price came up, tapped the zone. This week's candle from the bottom wick first so far, and it looks like you were gonna fill the wick. This right here is still some type of problem though, because there is a decent resistance being formed there. So if I were to actually draw a line, it would be right here, chat. Right, this is still a problem. Like, I still believe that you're gonna struggle a little bit at 2726.196. If you do break above, then obviously you got 2747, which is the monthly. Fill the range completely. Right, the top of the range right there, the retest of the highs, that's gonna be the same level on price, 2747, 710. But you are going to struggle at 2726. But the good thing is that you have range going up. So I'm not too worried about this bearish candle here. I'm not going to lie to you. I know looking left, like this candle here closed bearish, this one rejected, this one rejected, but this is totally different. And I'll tell you why it's totally different. And you can clip this and ship this, but it's different because this actually has structure going up. This, the first time, okay, first of all, you're looking at this, right? You're looking at all of this push, this push, this push, this push. This push right here, this was already coming down when it came up, so that doesn't count. This is an uptrend, cool. But you see how it has no bottom wicks here, just one. There's no structure being developed, right? That's why price came down. Same thing here. There's no structure being developed here too. And also this was more so of a pullback for this move to go up. So it's totally different. This one is the only one that's identical to maybe this one. Only one, but the difference is this one has structure going up. So that's why I'm not worried about this right here, just because of the difference between this and this. This is a huge bearish move. You came up. Okay, I get it. This could easily be looked at as like a lower high being printed. Okay, makes sense. Higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. What now? Higher highs. You see the difference? You see all the zigzags? Look, you see the difference? What's the difference? The difference is, if you look at the overall structure alone, this is what? The overall structure shows you what? It shows you that right here, this is somewhat of, you can kind of see like, yeah, it's forming like this. This is creating structure up, right? So that's the difference. That's why, like, at the retest of the highs, you were more likely to break this area to bounce up to the clean traffic area here. Very high chance you are to tap into those zones there. It's just a matter of when now, right? But you do have things, you do have information from you right now, which is like 27, 26 is a pretty nice level that price will likely react at. So you will see something there. I wouldn't expect a breakout today, but if you are to continue up, I would expect continuation to at least 27.16. Depending on how things look there, could continue up further. But yeah, chat, that's what I got going on here. For direction at least. So when it comes to the small time frame, does that mean we can only take buys? Nah, you can take buys or sells here. It comes down to what part of the move you're looking to grab. So going down to the daily, what do you have here? You have the daily candle, cool. You have price that forms some type of support here. It respected it, right? I'm going off of these levels here. It respected this, closed bullish closed bearish respecting it. This bullish candle came down first for a bottom during Asian session, came back up, flipped bullish, great. It does look like 88% chance you are gonna fill this range here. 27.20 should be tapped today. 80% chance it should be. It's just a matter of how, right? So we understand that it has somewhat of direction now. It's just, okay, what can we do to confirm that this is the daily low? One thing I could say is that this is a pretty decent wick, all right? But in this daily candle, what has happened so far? So daily candle started here, right? This is the Asian session. Asian session down here. That's the daily low. Did price create structure? No. Did it create structure here? Sure. Maybe it did create structure there. So we can probably put this line here at 2704 and say, okay, cool. That's your most recent support. That's the most structural level you have here on price. So cool. You have that. When you come down to the 1 hour, what else do you have? So this is the daily low right here. You have a higher low? No. You had a pop up, right? Price closed above. No, I guess you can say it closed right at it for me, but closed right at it. It came up. It looks like it's mirroring discount to the left here. It mirrored it so far, right? Came up towards here. I started to struggle. So is this a struggle area? Could be. What did price pull down to last time it struggled there? It pulled all the way down to these areas on price right there. So it came all the way down to these levels to the left here, 2702. So if you do get a bottom wick at 2702 today, if price does manage to make its way down towards that area, we can look for wick entry buys there, because that is a level in the past that you rejected off of, and you're expecting this to be a higher low for the day to continue up because it's structure that you're looking to create. It's liquidity that you're looking to create. So there's no problem with taking sales down. I'm gonna check the small time frame in a second here, but if you do continue down here, it looks like you are gonna see probably like 2702, 2704 between this area here. And once you tap into that zone there, it comes down to how price reacts there, because if price does come down and reacts there, then guess what it's going to do? The same thing it did here. It pops back up to the top of the range, and you tap into that 2720 zone for the daily candle. So yeah, chat, just be worried about that. Pay attention to that zone. Let me go ahead and just make this an actual zone though. So 2704 to 2702. I'll put it down here. 2703 in the middle of it for now. All right, I'll put that there. I'll put this here as a resistance. So if price were to make its way down here, I wouldn't expect it to re-break the highs. It should just respect that 2710 zone. And you got 20 pip range coming down. There are some struggles here that I see. So I do see some struggles here. So if you can start closing below 2707 and start creating top wicks bouncing off of 07, then that's your confirmation to say that, okay, cool, we can look for sells down now. I'll wait for a closure below like this, right? And then I'll wait for like a top wick before coming down. But I want to see price create a top wick at 2707. 0.119 once it actually does close below. If it does close below, you want to see a closure below first. And let's say we can't be part of the sells, that's totally fine. We still got wick entries in these ranges here at 2703, right? So that's what I got going on today, chat. You have 10 or 11 minutes left until a 1 hour closure. Once the 1 hour candle closes, we'll see how that candle looks. Worst case, if you don't get a position before one or before the 1 hour closure, we'll look for them at the 8 a.m. opening. But that's what we're gonna do to the chat. Those are your levels for a day. So pay attention to 2720 as a daily zone today. Pay attention to 2703, 2702 as like potential support being formed today, and then pay attention to 27. What else is there? Yeah, 2709 right now, I guess. But this is just your focus right now because this is the range you're in. All right. This isn't the first time you came down today, too. You came down here. You had a rejection here, right? You came down, you filled the range. You then what? Pulled back here right in the past. You pulled back, came back up, made a high here at 2710. So the question now is like, is this a lower high for you to come down further? Or is this going to be a higher low for you to continue ripping up? All right, so let's see how price reacts here, but it should give you some information on where we're headed. All right, chat. So that's what I got going on today for price action. Now we just wait. And we see what price has to offer us here. Let me go ahead and read these levels though on MT5 here. What I have here, I have 2709, right? 4, 2. 2703.22. This should be a little lower. You got a level here. 2712. Actually, you know what? We can probably move this up a little bit. Here's what I'll do. Put this as a minor zone here. 2709. I'll move this up. What I have here, 271281. Yeah, right there. Moves up towards here. So we know that this belongs here, that belongs there. The yellow lines I have here are just like minor zones. My major zones are the white lines with the boxes around them. Those are my major zones. All right, cool. So this is what I got now, chat. 2712. I'm going off of just the 30 and 1 as your overall zone here. This is the overall zone you're in, and then in between are just minor zones. All right. I know it's a bank holiday, chat. You guys don't gotta keep telling me it's a bank holiday. I know it's a bank holiday, man. I also know that prices moved 250 pips today. I also know that the last time you had this day, you moved through 50, which doesn't promise a day today where you move through 50 as well. But if there's volume, we'll trade it. If there's no volume, they won't trade it. Right? Simple as that. But I know this bank, the bank holiday, chat. There's no written rule that says if it's a bank holiday, you can't look at the charts. Chat, look at the last 5 bank holiday folders. You'll see volume, man. You'll see volume. Again, doesn't promise today there'll be volume, okay? Don't have that mindset, but like if there's volume, man. We'll be there. Let's see what's happening here. How much is that 1 hour wick fill? 16 pips. One thing I like about the 4 hours time from chat is the fact that it's been doing this. So I don't know if you guys see this, but right here, you have a support level right here. You have a resistance right here. This candle closed what inside the range. This candle closed bearish, respecting that support. Looking left, you should fill the range, which you did. You filled majority of the range so far, right? But I like how you're holding these levels here. So like, this is the range that we're kind of playing in right now. 2712 to like 2704. It's just a matter of these smaller time from bottom wicks now. What's happening here? These zones here. How did you manage to only stick to trading gold? How did I manage to only trade gold? I started off with US30. One of my first pairs, or SPX 500 was my first trade ever on a demo account. And then I moved on to US30. And then I traded, I'm tripping, no. My first trade ever was SPX 500. And then I traded Forex pairs a little bit after that. I started getting to like just basic Forex pairs. Those are my first pairs, like AUD USD, Euro USD, THF JPY, NZD JPY, Euro CAD, CAD JPY. I like yen pairs. I say that I was trading a lot of yen pairs, and then I went into I got into GJ. That was like one of my favorite Forex pairs, GJ, and then I got introduced to gold somehow. And then I liked the volume on GJ and gold, so then I just stuck with those 2 pairs only. And then I took out gold, I think in 2021, to only trade to only trade GJ for about a year. I think at the time the broker didn't offer gold or something. And then I went back to gold and GJ, and then I got rid of GJ, and now I'm just on gold. And it's been like that for the last 2.5 years. And it'll probably stay like that for a minute until we add something else to it. Until we add something else to it. 1.5 R trade looking at today. Hey man, what if it's a 0.2 R? You know, bro? Come on. What if it's a 0.2 R? It's not a 0.5 R. How you just gonna expect a 0.5 R? You're asking for too much now, bro. A little too much. You're being a little greedy. Did you hold any coin? Yeah, chat. What coins are you guys in, man? I think XRP is gonna boom this week. I'm looking at XRP. I'm looking at XRP. I'm also looking at whatever's in this list here. Yeah. What's the Trump coin at? 50 bucks. You guys think it's gonna plummet today? And Solana. I don't have anything crazy in my crypto. I never have. I never had anything crazy in my crypto. I think even when I had XRP at 30 cents, it wasn't anything crazy. But I've been looking into crypto lately. Trying to get a feel for like meme coins and just any coin in general. Just like the feeling of it, like how it moves, like what it reacts off of, like how certain things affect it. And I know that it's not always in season. Like, you don't, I know, correct me if I'm wrong, chat, but when crypto doesn't move, crypto doesn't move. When it moves, it moves. Right now it's moving, it's in season right now, right? But there was like a period in time in like what, 2022 to 2024 where it was kind of just dry. And I think that's when Bitcoin boomed. Yeah, 21 to like 22, 23, it was a little dry. What do you guys in, chat? Want to hold crypto? You can do whatever you want to do, man. What are you guys holding? I know it's a bank holiday, bro. You know what? I'm just gonna put it up on the screen, bro. You know what? Yeah, you guys are. Yes, it's a bank holiday. I understand. There we go. Cam froze. It didn't freeze. Talking about. Chat, what are you guys in? Solana? What are you guys in? Did you buy Trump? No. Ethereum. Ideally, all the profits I make off of my coins, I want to just put it back into Bitcoin and XRP. Way too small. Make the sign bigger. You're right. I should. Chat, ADM closure here. Hold on. I gotta lock this in real quick. Hold on. ADM closure here. Yeah, I mean, it's Doji 1 hour candle. It's kind of just, yeah. Here's the thing. Here's how we can identify there's no volume today, chat. If it sits between 2710 and 2705. If it breaks out then it breaks out. We can't deny the fact that there's volume. But as long as it's in this range here, obviously it's in a range. Okay, chat. We'll see. We'll see what the vibes are. But you can ask me. Today's a good day to ask a lot of questions too about the charts. I can answer them. We can talk about whatever. What do you think about XRP? It looks bullish. XRP. Sui? What's Sui? Chat. Chat, what's Sui? Is this the right pair? It looks bullish. No, XRP looks bullish, bro. Does it not? It also looked bullish at 30 cents too, or 60 cents too when I got out. Sui is a layer 1. I see. Yeah. Wade was telling me about Sui. Yeah, man. Anyone else in XRP? If you guys are in XRP, what entries would you guys get for XRP? According to my calculations here, 4.9, 450. What were your entries for XRP, chat? I bought 1 XRP at 0.34 cents. Yeah, that was my entry too, bro. That was my entry too. And then I got it at 60 cents. I got the same entry as you. I put BMS on H bar 0.14 entry. What's BMS? What's H bar? Should drop heavy? I don't know. I'm not a pro crypto analysis, chat. But XRP does look bullish. Like, XRP looks pretty bullish. Towards where? I don't know. We're all-time highs, right? I don't know, but the only logic that I'm using to measure XRP here is the fact that you have this is the only logic that I'm using here for XRP, chat. I'm going off of just this. Like, if this is the range we're in, it was 8751, whatever that is. I'm going off the fact that it should do the same thing. 8751. That's a safe target. Because usually on price action, whatever range it is the range it breaks out of and drives into before it starts to hover again. So if this is what it was, I would assume that, okay, it's going to do the same thing here. That's kind of what that's the only logic I'm basing it off of. And then you say, yo, yeah, you know, higher low at 2. What you can also do is just base it off of this too. Like, say, okay, cool, you have a support there on XRP at $2, right? And at 260, this is the range we're in. That's your resistance. So, like, if XRP ever does continue to close below $2, then you could expect a pullback a lot further. But until then, for all I know, they can just retest the lows and continue driving up. We can just do whatever it wants to do, right? But if it drops below here, then yeah, you have something telling you that, okay, maybe you might drop further. So then it's your play on what you want to decide to do, either buy the pullback or close your or sell off your coins and get a better entry. But that's like, I'm just going off of price action, right? But it's my first day in the trenches, so I'm gonna start paying attention to it more this year and see if I can get a better understanding of how these things move. But yeah, It looks pretty bullish, no? Does it not look bullish? It looks pretty bullish. Very, very bullish. Very bullish. You don't know what else looks bullish here? Wait, why does it say meeting ending in 10 minutes? I have the Zoom Pro. Oh, I gotta send a new link. Yeah. Alright. Hey Zoom, I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna send a new link. Is that cool? I have the Pro Zoom, but I think because I got it while we're already running the Zoom. So actually, I'm gonna wait to see if it actually ends or not. If it ends, I'll send it. If it doesn't, then we're good then. How do you identify the low of a day on what, gold or on crypto? The answer for crypto I don't know, but the gold answer I know. The gold answer is I go off of what I see. So if so far this is your low of the day on a daily, there's a very high chance that's your low of the day. To confirm that's the low of the day, when you reverse engineer the candle, for instance, if this is your high and this is your low, on the 4-hour / 1 hour, how will things look? Is there structure? Is there a higher low being developed? Do we see any higher lows being developed today? No, we don't. So is that 100% guaranteed low? No, it will never be 100% guaranteed low regardless of what it prints, because there's no 100% until the day candle closes. Once the day candle closes, that's your low of the day for sure. But if you're looking to anticipate what the low of the day is, you're looking to see if you print higher lows on a smaller time from that day. So if you do print higher lows on the way up, then yeah, there's a much higher chance that level is to hold, because when you print higher lows on the way up like this, there's levels that are important now. For instance, this level, this level, this level, and this level. Look at all the levels you have to break in order to come down. Let's say this is your low of a day on a daily. If you were to come down, you got to break this zone, you got to break this zone, you got to break this zone, you got to break a bunch of zones. So when you don't have that structure there, you are more prone to break. It's easier to break, which is today. For instance, right now, we don't have that higher low being printed and developed. Any given point, because this is how price looks. Any given point, you can just go like this. How many times, chat, do you see this? I'm sure we see both sequences. That versus this. How many times do you see this versus this? You see this happen more often, where there's no higher lows being printed and price reverses the entire move of the day. Same thing happened on last Friday, I think it was, right? Whereas if you have higher lows being printed, you have volume, you are more likely to hold and just continue driving. So that's what I would do to confirm whether or not you have a day low or not. Today is pretty more is straightforward, to be honest. It's a little more straightforward just because day low is a pretty decent bottom wick, and it tapped an actual decent zone. It tapped into this zone, the most recent support. So that looks like a very high likely to be a higher low. But there are some days where it's a little more difficult to indicate that. For instance, Friday. And Friday, we're looking for confirmations all day for a higher low to be confirmed, but the daily cannot actually end up coming back down and closing bearish. Happens a fortnight? Yeah, it happens a fortnight too. You don't have those structural levels. It happens. Like, look, this is all you have right now on a daily. This is the only thing you have, right? This is the day low down here. You came up, came down, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, cool. So what happened so far today? You came up, you struggled here quite a bit. 27.12. You know at that level you're gonna struggle again. You know for a fact that's gonna struggle again. So in order for price to continue driving up, it needs now to hold 27.03. If it doesn't hold 27.03, then guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna break it. And if you break it, is there a possibility that you come back down towards the day low? Yeah, but what else do you gotta break now? Your next support level, which is gonna be like roughly here. Like it's these areas here. This and this, I'll put it right around there. right? So now you can erase all these things on your charts here. Let me just show you guys real quick. You have this resistance up here. You have this support down here. This is one range. This is one range. This is another range. Right? You break that and that. What is that now, chat? Range 2 breakout. Yeah. Then if that were to happen, you start to break below 2700, 2799 or 2699, and this tends to happen, then guess what? And also if you do get a top wick at 2712, you can look for wick entries down. But if this were to happen, then what happens now? You're breaking into the ranges. Guess what's gonna happen? It looks like you're gonna come down to fill the rest of the range down here, which leads you to what? The daily candle flip, right? So instead of like trying to predict what's gonna do what, just wait until price confirms it's gonna go there. If you know price action, if you know like closure below the ranges leads to the next range breakout, and you have these confirmations and confluences, then that's what you can wait for. You don't have to sit there and like in this range right now and be like, I wonder if we're gonna go up or down today. Because all you gotta do is wait for price to pick where it wants to go and then hop on that wave, right? And then hop on that wave. Got it, chat? But yeah, what was I saying just now? I was saying there might be a wick entry, right? So 1 hour's coming up here. You can kind of see you have two bearish candles back to back, two dojis. So kind of weak, not too strong. If you do tap 2712 here, there could be potential wick entries. There could be. His range is like 25 pips. All right, zoom in looks good. I don't think the zoom in's gonna end. It just exceeded the hour mark, so pretty sure it's good. Or you know what? No, I'm speaking too soon. It might end actually in 3 minutes here. Cool, I'll resend it. I'll resend the link. No volume bank holiday. Hey, you might be right. You might be right. But hey, even if you don't get trades today, right? I'd rather show up and be in flow. So you can't trick out the same concepts? I'm sure you can, but it's only day one. I'll give it like 2 years before I give you a straight answer whether or not you can or not with like officially if you can or not. But I've only started looking at crypto heavily like last night. So after like 2027, I'm gonna give you a proper answer. You know, it's gonna take some time. The same way it took with price action here. What made you use SNR? What was the thing that pushed you to use this concept? Honestly, the more strategies that I learned, like I learned a lot of strategies, chat. It wasn't just this one strategy. The more strategies that I learned, I started to realize that it all comes back to support and resistance. Chat, you guys could put any single indicator, chat, name any single indicator right now that you want. I'll mark up my levels and I'll put the indicator on my screen. It's gonna likely line up with that exact same price point. You can name any indicator you want, but likely is to line up with my zones here. So like, look, I'm gonna mark up my zones. Okay, let's say indicating zone is like where? Indicator zone is probably up here. Indicator zone is probably like down here. Indicator zone is probably down here, and also up here. This is like a minor zone, so maybe I can put this, but I'm pretty sure 2716, 2703, or yeah, 2703, and then 2769, 2693. What do you guys want to add? EMA? Close enough. Close enough. Close enough. You know what I mean? It's same, like, not, you made close enough. Close enough. I'm gonna call that as very close enough. Pretty much the same zone. like the same areas. Because this is going off of just these wicks here, but it goes off the bodies, right? I'm guessing this goes off the bodies instead. Close enough. Yo, Zoom link has ended. Let me send a new link. My fault. What else, chat? What else? What else do you guys want me to add? Ichimoku, that was one of my thing as well. Why doesn't it? I upgraded. Why doesn't it work? Why does it pop up there, bro? Why not get the... My bad, chat. What else, chat? While I do this, what else? What else? RSI. That's not that. RSI. This is it. Okay, this is like, it has to be on screen. This. Actually. Yeah, right? This is line up. This up there. Up down there low. It has to be on screen though. But yeah. What else is there? Let's check Ichimoku. Holy shit, I missed it. I miss using this actually. Yeah, you can kind of see the clouds are here. The clouds are affected there. The clouds are affected here at this line. The clouds are somewhat affected down here. Damn, I remember this. Whenever this crosses over, you should get. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. One of the only indicators that I liked was the Ichimoku, because the Ichimoku has so many things to it. It wasn't just like one confirmation. It was like the cloud, obviously, it identifies your support and resistance for you, sorta. And then whenever you have these two that crosses over, it'll indicate whether you're gonna push down or not, or you're expected the volume to push down or not. So back then, I think what I'll do is like I'll wait to see if like we're above or below cloud. Right now we're above it, but this blue crossed over the red. I forgot what it was called. I think it was called a TK crossover or something like that. I don't know what my mentor taught me back then, but something about a TK crossover. And in this case here, since the blue crossed over the red, you expect the continuation up. And there's another line called a lagging line or something, and I don't know where that line is here, but that line was one of the key confirmations as well. I forgot what that line had to do to confirm something, but that was like the cherry on top confirmation. And of all the indicators I used, that had the highest success rate for me. I think the only reason it had a high success rate was because it had so many confirmations. It wasn't just like a plain indicator. PTSD, I know, me too. Yo, what else is there? Fibonacci? I mean, look, I can tell you right now, pulling off Fib or not, this is a 38.2 retracement. Where's the Fib? Here, right? 38.2 retracement right there. 38/50. Yeah, I'm gonna renew my Zoom right now. I don't know why I was doing this. I could have sworn I just paid for this. Sorry, Zoom. Don't mind this Fib chat. I know we got PTSD, but that's kind of why like I just use support and resistance now, because it is very similar. It it comes back down to just price action and support and resistance at the end of the day. Like even on fibs, right? Like you know how you can use a fib? I wouldn't before when I use a fib, I'd just be like, okay, cool, you have a fib, but then I'll be like, is it gonna bounce off of the 38.2? Is it gonna bounce off 61.8? Is it gonna bounce off the 50? Is it gonna bounce to 23? Is it not gonna bounce? So with price action, what it does is I can identify my levels and be like, okay, cool, support here, resistance up here, this is the range you're in, great. I see that you're bouncing off the support. I'll wait for count confirmations. I'll wait for a 1 hour closure support or whatever, but I'll wait for counts to confirm what you're bouncing off of. Because all the fib does is identify your potential zones. But of course there's gonna be potential zones. Every price has, at any single point in price, it will have a potential zone to bounce off of. Right? But like, the problem I have with fibs is like I didn't know which one. So now I know, like, okay, cool, there's a major zone here at 2703, cool. There's a major zone up here at 2713. There's another major zone over here at 2117, but you gotta break above 2713. So like, for me, that was my problem with fibs. That's why like I just switched completely to price action. Okay, Zoom is fixed now. But yeah, that's kind of why it's just strictly price action for me. Let's go on gold here, chat, because this thing is somewhat moving. Eyes indicator. I sent the Zoom link just now. Yo, Marcus, what's up? What was your biggest mistake while learning trading phase? One that took too long to fix and you still remember to this day? One that I remember to this day? I'll say revenge trading. Revenge trading. Revenge trading. Over leveraging is pretty straightforward to get over, I think. But revenge trading, different story. In the past, revenge trading would lead to like over leveraging, right? But at some point, that cycle was completely gone for me. I don't remember how, but that completely went away. I think what helped me with that was also just like sticking with a fixed lot size for the entire year, because it forced me to not over leverage. Yeah, so revenge trading, that's about it. I think to kind of help with revenge trading too, playbook will be required, because what a playbook does is it'll force you to take only high quality setups so that you won't have the urge to revenge trade, because you're only taking high quality setups. Once you get used to the fact that these are high quality setups and that's all you take, your brain can't process non-high quality setups that are not in your playbook. Your brain only knows then the trades are in your playbook, so it's like a force of habit that you're creating for yourself. So having that playbook does help with that. Don't trade about me? True. I'm gonna get a coffee right now. Oh, legend is my biggest issue. Can ruin 2-3 months of work in a day because I'm an asshole. Yeah. For me, revenge trading. I think you guys know the last time, but that cooked me for like maybe 2 months, and like I have never felt like that in all my years since I first started. So it's not even worth it to have a day like that, because it's not only that day, it's like months after too that it affects you for. You get pushed back for like 2-3 months. pineapples kind of revenge? No. When you include it in your strategy and it's something that you know you're doing, and you have a win rate that backs it up, you have stats and trades taken on it that backs it up, no. If you're doing something that's completely out of your mind, like out of your plans, then yeah, that is called revenge. That is called a bad trade. As long as you're taking trades that are high quality, that you are willing to take over time, over and over again, like after a loss, ask yourself, will you take this trade again? If you say yes, it's a good trade. If you say no, then you shouldn't have taken it in the first place. It's a bad trade. So pineapples is like a way to just manage the same way you manage your drawdown. This is a way to add on to your position to manage. If you understand that price can't, because look, you're not adding a pineapple blindly off the fact that you're in drawdown. That's just stupid. That has nothing to do with price action. But if you know that, okay, if you know that typically price does this, right? Pulls back. Okay, cool. Let's say it pulls back, and now it, instead of like retesting highs like it usually would to continue its upper trend, like let's say it's here, it does this instead. It creates lower highs. You now understand that, okay, if this is your first entry in these areas here, right? And for price to continue driving down, you need a top wick that taps into that zone, because it looks like the structure's starting to shift. Then you know that's your pineapple position, because there's a very low chance if your entry was here and your TP is up here, it's gonna tap up here. You now have to shift to the fact that price isn't gonna make its way up there. It's not. The structure has shifted. Your entry and your TP is invalid. So what you could do if you understand price action is say, okay, cool. If I understand there's a top wick that needs to be tapped there, I'm gonna get a pineapple here. And then you close out your positions at the BE for this position. Or at least near BE, depending on how you close that day. Right? Like we did on Friday's position. But like, that's when you apply pineapples, not because, oh shit, I'm in drawdown, stack. I'm in drawdown, stack. I'm in drawdown, stack. I'm in drawdown, stack. Because there's no logic behind it. So when you have your entries, you want to have a logical TP, the same with the fact that you want to have a logical stop loss. It always has to be logical. And logical is just off of past performance, probabilities, the data you have collected in all your trades. But if you don't have that and you're just blindly entering, yeah, that's garbage. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. So there's a difference. There's a difference. But if you're new, you have to have a playbook first. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. Like, you have to have a playbook first before you get into any of that stuff, because it's more advanced. You need a playbook first because you need to get used to the fact that you're taking high quality setups. If you don't have that understanding of what high quality setups is, and a lot of traders who first start trading don't. They have no idea what the high probable setup is because you don't have enough experience to say. When you first start trading, chat, you're looking to just make money. You're not looking for a high probable setup. You're looking to just make money. Where can I make money? How can I make money? This position made money? Great. It's an amazing trade. Can you replicate the trade again? Probably not, but I made money. It's a good trade, right? Next day, same thing. How can I make money? How can I make money? But when you get that playbook concept in your mind of only high quality setups, you now have probability on your side. And with probability, that's what you're basing your trades off of. But when you're new, you don't have that, right? You don't have that. So chat, there's comics open here. So what are you expecting? Volume, or not comics open, 8:30. Damn, this is 8:30, not comics, my fault. Okay, cool. What has happened here? You pushed up, great. 27 pips. Can you tap 27.13 for a wick entry sell? Is that a possibility? Is this a possibility? You made a low first, right? Did you make a low first, chat? Yeah, you made a low first. You made a high. Is this news? No. Yeah, nothing right now. But this moved more than retail sales. I'll tell you that. Yo, Sunfire. That's like the difference, I'll say. But like, just probability. There's probability. And pineapples too. We didn't just start off like one day just randomly taking it. Like we looked into it on stream together for like from the end of 2020 or beginning of 2023 up until 2020 up until now. And we started taking it on stream like maybe 2024 July, I think. So it wasn't like just woke up one day and we took it. It took some time to like play around with first. Yeah, I know, chat. This thing is moving. It's nothing crazy, but you did create a bottom wick again. Again. So what is this? What's happening here? Is it gonna flip? Is it not? You have 3 minutes for 5 closure. 30-minute candle just flip bullish again. 1 hour candle flip. It's struggling here still though. You can kind of see, right? Again, wick entry is potentially gonna be at 27.13 here, chat, for us. Is this all-time highs? Yeah, it is. Wow, 27, 26. Oh no, it's not all-time highs. That's not all-time highs. 27, 89 is all-time highs. Damn. Yeah, chat. Wick entry is 27, 12.81 in that area. If you make your way up there within this 30-minute candle. Yo, what's happening here? Damn. 1 minute coming back down. Sheesh. Coming back down. Is it going to re-break the lows and drive down? Looks like it is. Wow. How far were you? Come on, go to 18 pips, man. 17 pips away. Oh, when's the speech? When's the meeting? Oh, right now he's talking? Say less. Say less. I think I know what he's talking about, chat. I can sense it within the candles. Yo, he just started talking too, chat, so... Let's see. He just started talking too, so... And they're already moving this much. He brought his volume. Swearing in is around 12 p.m. What is Comex exchange open? Oh, it's 8:20. It wasn't 8:30. 8:20 was Comex open. Oh my god. Volume. Oh shit. It's been bouncing. I have no positions yet, chat. I have no idea where it's gonna go. It's just bouncing right now. I did re-break the lows 3 times, so it does look like it's gonna at least tap into what level is this? 03460? Yeah, I just got tapped. Damn, okay. Okay. Interesting. Yo, chat, you see this? You see this right here? You guys see this? You guys see this? It's creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lows. Let's see what happens here, because the more top wicks you get here, the more structure you get, the more of a confirmation you have. Right now you have no confirmation for direction still, because you're still between these ranges here, right? But if this is coming down here, if it is, you'll have to see it respect these levels there. 2708. Right? That's why, like, I'm not looking for sells right now, because at any given point, this 1 hour can still flip and drive after a bottom wick. So, like, for us to continue heading down, you want to wait for some type of top wicks to be confirmed and respecting these areas here. If that were to happen, you continue to come down like this, high highs come down, high highs come down. At some point, it's going to continue dropping. So just be cautious of that. There's no trades right now, chat, but there is volume here, okay? On a bank holiday. There is volume right now on a bank holiday. On a bank holiday. Wait. Molina coin? You're in that, George? What was your entry? Oh shit, we're breaking the lows. Oh shit. This thing is getting a little scary here, chat. I am not gonna lie, it looks like it's gonna be a crazy day today. Looking at the way the volume just shifting back and forth like this. Jeez. Okay, wicked in and wicked out right now. Holy fuck. This is better than NFT, chat. I ain't gonna lie to ya. This is the best thing we had all week. Jeez. You can't even, the thing is, you can't even think about the position, because the moment you think about, like, should I take bias here? It just flips. It's like, oh, okay, cool. At least I know I can't take bias here. Restart a week, bruh. I know, bruh. That's crazy, bruh. It is crazy, bruh. What's up, Zoom? Yeah, chat. For those that don't know, Zoom is now Zoom is now back, so no delay streams for Cinema members and also alumni members. And I don't know if you guys saw my post on IG, but we are gonna be taking signals off of the purchase list, basically, like on the website. So starting Friday, this won't be here. Anymore. So we're cutting signals. But for those who are already in, if you're already in it, there'll still be calls, but for new members by Friday, we're cutting that out. And I also did give you guys a little bonus to the Cinema members. I gave you guys a Zoom as well for being here, but we're cutting that out. We are cutting that out. Damn, 10 minutes gone by. 5-minute closure. What's happening here? 1 minute count. Let me see. Look at this chat. Was anyone a victim of this? Was anyone a victim of this? It's okay. I can feel the pain for you, or with you. Anyone was a victim? It's a forfeit range. It's not bad, but damn, it looks like this is wick. In these moments when it looks clean, do not enter. That's when you get cooked. Do not enter when it looks clean. Like if it starts to break below 2701, be cautious. It'll look clean. It'll look like, oh yeah, it's gonna drive. Just be cautious. It can at any given point just back up to the top of the range, right? You still don't have the top wick zones at 2713. So just be a bit cautious, you know? Be a bit cautious at these areas here. Okay, 1 minute candle close below the range here. I wouldn't short any coin of the present. Yo, Bougie, what else are you in? Chad, do you guys think the Trump coin and the Melina coin was a distraction for XRP? I mean, XRP does look bullish. Everything is a distraction. Do you recommend getting since it's gone? You'll be locked in at that price. But yeah, because it's gone by Friday. We're taking it off by Friday. On Friday. I'll probably make more announcements throughout the week. I'll tell you guys tomorrow more. But yeah. The good thing is that you guys have signals here, chat. The good thing is that you have signals here on stream. You will still get signals though. If you're in it, you will still get it. But if you don't get it, it's cool because you still have it on the stream. Might be a couple second delay, 1 or 2, you know, but still have it here for free. But if I do take it, or if when I take it on stream. What leverage do you use? 1 to 500. What's happening here? What's happening here, chat? You've been rejecting, right? Okay, cool. Chat, let's see. When it looks clean, be cautious. Just understand that. Didn't break the lows yet, but when it looks clean, take an extra second or two to rethink. Rethink a little bit. What has happened so far before? Right? You had what? A push up, push down, a push up, push down, push up, push down, another push up. And now you're doing this. So it looks like it's creating higher highs, higher lows. But this is the day you flip. If you make a higher low today, this is the day you flip. And you still haven't tapped into these zones here, chat. I don't know. I don't know. I'm still bullish right now. That could change, but right now I'm still bullish. I'm looking at the way prices form in the structure. It shows me that it's still bullish. I won't be sold that it's bearish until you close below like 26.97 below here, or 96. Because below there, then yeah, I'll say, okay, cool, yeah, you can come down now. But from 27.03 to 27.96, I'm still bullish here. Still bullish here. What if I get monthly extensions? Yeah, if you get the monthly, you can still be extended. Yeah, like that price with that price too. Like it won't be changed for you. Oh man. Bouncing off of that 2703 zone again. Okay, let's chat. Remember this zone I was telling you guys about, chat? This run right here? This zone right here. Pay attention to it again. Pay attention to it. What's your daily bias? I'm so bullish. If you guys are enjoying the stream today, leave a like and sub to the channel, chat. I know we've been waiting on more for positions and it's been kind of chill today, but there is volume, so expect something shortly, okay? Expect something shortly. Sheesh. Look at the 50-minute flip or 30-minute flip. You have a 4-hour closure in 12 minutes, okay? We could look at a trade beforehand, but look at the 4-hour count. Look what's starting to do. It was bearish, now it's flipped bullish. Could it close above 2707 here today? The only other way, chat, where I could be sold on being bearish today is if it taps 2712 and it closes below 2703. If it does not tap 2712 and it closes below 2703, I'll wait for a close below 2696 to be bearish. But if it doesn't tap this, if it just does this like this from here, I'm not sold. If it taps it and then does this, then sure. Below 2703, you have range coming down. But this, I think this tap is pretty important today, man. This 12-13 tap. And I'm still looking for wick entries there right now as we speak. Wait, yo, George, what'd you say? What was your answer for the what was your entry for the coin? Maybe I got distracted. What'd you say? Green, what's up? I don't see an answer. Look at the 5-minute flip. Oh man, okay, cool. I got at $3. You got $3? That's pretty good. $3? You got it at $3. Oh my gosh, it's only day one, bruh. What are your thoughts on this meme coins? Like, I don't really have thoughts on the meme coins. I don't feel like I could really say anything about it with only one day of experience. So I'd rather not, you know. I'm learning the same way you guys are learning about meme coins too. I only want to speak from what I know. If I don't know, I got nothing to say, you know. take a quick peep at GC. Yeah, the prices are different, huh? Here, GC futures, gold futures. 5-minute time frame. Dang. Is it the same thing? How do you measure, what's the measurement in futures, chat? It's not pips, right? What's the measurement in futures? Ticks? It's ticks. Okay, let me ask you guys this now. From 20, from this tick, from 2730 to 2732, is that 20 ticks or is that 2 ticks? Or that's 20 ticks, right? Because ticks are just pips, same shit. 20 ticks, 20 pips. Okay, true. Yeah, I got a futures app. I got a, what's it called? What did I get? I don't know. I got 2, right? It was TradeObate and TradeStation. I think one of them doesn't accept Canadians. I think TradeStation doesn't accept Canadians, so I got TradeObate. So I've been looking at it. What do you guys use? What platform do you guys use? Of course he's back. Back like we never left. Back like we never left. Spectro? Hey, Spectro. What's up, Spectro? Captain? You be American soon? Not a true. Not gonna lie, might be the 52nd state. Wait, is it 52nd or 53rd? 52nd. Aiko, what's up? Y'all need to wait, man. It needs to hit 2722, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We gotta wait, man. Y'all be stressing them out, man. I can feel your stress talking to chat though. You know, you don't gotta listen to them, right? You don't gotta listen to the chat. They're gonna spam numbers all day. You don't gotta listen to them. You can just listen to your heart and what your heart desires about the price action. Don't let chat get into your head. Everyone has their own positions going on that they gotta manage here. I like this 5 a lot here, chat. This is pretty cool. But when I say I like it, doesn't mean I'm getting position, right? But I like the way it's forming structure here. It's been respecting that 2708 zone. This count was bullish, respected. This count now came up for a top wick, flip bearish, coming down, right? It's filling the range towards 2703. Still no positions for me, but could be shortly. There's some volume here. You don't feel that emotion to enter and be greedy? If you enter with a plan and have an exit plan, you won't be greedy in the trade, because you're not basing the trade off of how much money you gotta make. You're basing it off of what's the most logical play here. But when you shift your mindset to that, it forces you to not be greedy in your trades, right? Can you break the lows and reflip above? Can you break the lows and reflip 2704? If you can do that, chat, pay attention here. It'll be interesting. What's gonna happen? Are you guys bullish or bearish for a day, chat? Let's run a poll. Are we bullish or bearish for the day? What's your opinion on gold right now? Don, the XRP FOMO? Why? That's not even moving. The XRP FOMO? Sheesh. Yeah, man, I feel you, man. I feel you in the XRP FOMO, but bullish, bear, bearish, bullish, bearish. We need a poll up. You can't do a poll right now, can you? My fault. Let me do it. Or can any other mods do polls or not? Is it just? I think it's just wait. Only mods can do polls. That's so weird how mods can't do polls. Oh my gosh. It didn't break the lows, man, but damn. Let me ask you guys now. Are you bullish or bearish now? I know the answer's gonna change. Don't change your answer. Don't change your answer now, because earlier everyone was saying bearish because it's coming down. What's your answer now, chat? What's your answer now? Oh yeah, everyone's bullish now, huh? Everyone's bullish now. Bearish? You're still bearish? I'm changing bullish to bearish? Damn, okay. Alright. I think everyone's majority bearish right now. I think everyone's majority bearish right now. Alright. What's happening here? There's still support here that's being bounced off of here, man. That's what? 1, 2, 3 taps so far. Still printing higher lows, chat. Remember? Look. Still printing higher lows, right? These are still higher highs. It's not printing lower lows, but it's printing lower highs. Lower highs are still being printed here. Five closure in a minute here. 1 minute counts about close. Can we get wick entries there? For buys, let's see. You get a reflip your gold, just reflip 1 to 5. Yeah, I want to see break the lows there at 27.01 and then reflip. If it breaks the lows, it can still dip towards 99, but that's why we're waiting for the reflip. If you get a low, you're gonna print a high, and that's gonna be over here. This is why I'm waiting for a low, chat, because let's say you do print a low here, it wouldn't just come down automatically. If it was to be truly bearish, it would have had to at least create a top wick here first, right? So I want to see if it can come down here like this, if you can get a top wick up here, which means that you can get potential wick entries for buys down here, because then you're looking for this to print before coming down further, and in that range from here to the minor support is like 19, and overall range is like 50 pips, and depends on where your TP is, right? But you need to tap either like 27.13 or create a top wick anyways. I want to see the breakout lows. That's the thing. For entries, that'll be cherry on top. Let's see. 5 still respecting here, yeah. You got 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. Could still flip bearish. Does it matter Trump's having a speech? Yeah, it does matter. But I will say, in my experience, price action does tell me and confirm for me where we're headed. So I think of the speech as like volume, and I'm going off of price action still. That's my approach to it. Just like any other speech you have, FOMC speech at 2:30 after the numbers come out at 2 p.m. right after the interest rate drops. Like I just use that as volume for my price action. So the same way Trump's yapping right now, I'm using that as my volume for price action. He's just bringing that in. US 30? Sure, yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah, Wade, look at this. It's making it high, Wade. You see this, Wade? I just want to make sure you see it. What'd you say? US 30? I got you, bro. US 30. Orlando. Yeah, man. US 30. Like ever since it made a high at like in 2020, I stopped looking at it since. And it's been making a high every time I've looked at it since. US 30. What am I gonna say? It's bearish now. But what time frame you want me to look at? Hold on. Okay, cool. We still have 4-hour closure. Hold on. Wait, what? 4-hour closure, chat. I forgot. My bad. 4-hour closure here. Okay, so pay attention. Wow, okay. Pay attention to how this looks here. You have a support there. I know you don't have a bottom wick, but you do have a support there. You closed above it. This is the top of the 4-hour range. This is the range that the 4-hour candle is in right now. It's in the range between these zones here. Clear as day. Why? Because you closed respecting back to back after closing above it. This is your next resistance right here. 27.16. So this is the range we're in. Now it's just a matter of, okay, if you're looking for buys up, how could we get that? I wanted personally the wick entry down there at 27.04 up, but we couldn't get that. It's cool. We could still get wick entries down because this is the range I'm expecting price to bounce off of in these zones here. So maybe we can go ahead and just put a line here. And we could still get buys, but let's see how it pulls back here if it does pull back. So let me just go ahead and put a line there, 27.16, 27.04, and say, okay, cool. 1-hour resistance right here. And 1-hour support right here. And this is the range we're in. So we got new levels here. We have a minor support here. So we want to make sure we have this noted as well. I think the minor support is going to be right here. 27.11, 27.12. You know what? I'm going to put 27.10 for now. And then you have a minor support right here. 27.06.847 here, chat. Okay? So, look. Lower high. Lower high. Not a lower low. A low, though. You retest the low. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. Could you get a lower low at 27.06, chat? 0.847 for a wick entry potentially? Is that a possibility today? Because the structure is starting to shift here a little bit. Barely, but a little bit. This. If you get this, what are you doing? What are you doing here? Third, take your fib out. Take your fib out. Right? This will give you like 30.2, but in general, just a higher low. So you are more likely to break the structure now and tap where? 27.10, right? But I want wick entries there. I don't want to take the rebreak at highs. I prefer an entry at 27.06 or something here. And you're still far away from it, but not bad. 27.06.87. Damn. If you want to buy, price needs to hit 27.22. I've been saying this for an hour. Yeah, man. So what does that mean? We have to tap 27.22 for you to buy. Everyone in chat is now paying attention to you. What's up? 27.22. Why does that need to tap? What's your theory behind that? We gotta lock it in here. Let's see. Done entered. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Man. Yeah, 27.12. Like that's your target. It's just how. Liquidate that level. It's gonna tap that level, then sell. Watch it. You know, we might not be on the charts at that time. We might already have a position before and hop off. What happens if that happens? Will I be in trouble? But you be yelling at everybody that as if like whoever's not listening to that analysis right now is in trouble. What if I hop off beforehand? What if like we get a trade from like 27.09 to like 27.11 and then we call it a day? What happens? Like what happens? We're doing buys before kind of open up no bottom wick. I'm honestly not worried about that because of this structure here. I wanted to see if anything on wick entry at 27.07, 27.06. But the 4 count no because of this. I'm looking at this right now. I just kind of peeped this, but look at the 4-hour candle, right? You have this here, and you have this up here. It looks like it's gonna mirror this. You see this bullish candle right here? That's what it looks like it's gonna mirror. The same exact structure that's being mirrored again. I'm not worried about this kind of flipping. And if it does flip, that's fine too, because then that would just give you a bottom wick, but I'm not worried about that. I would wait for maybe like bottom wicks to be printed like between now and within this 1 hour candle to print a higher low in a smaller time from like on a minute on the 5, which is 27.07 is what I wanted to see. You get those bottom wicks, it'll confirm whether or not this forward candle is gonna flip bearish or not. So yeah, we could end up getting entries at like 27.06, 27.07 still. But I want to see if you get one more bottom wick. If you can close bullish on this 5 here, and then this next 5-minute candle does this chat, you have 2 entry ideas. If price opens up, comes down for a bottom wick that taps into 27.08, we'll get 1 entry there. That's 1 entry. Second entry would be 27.06. And we're just expecting the flip. And then we can have a stop loss below here, 27.01. And our entries could be stop for 50 pips. First entry maybe like 6 pips. I'll put this level right here now because there's no bottom wick there in that zone. I want to see a bottom wick. Everyone thinks I'm tripping. Nobody thinks you're tripping. Just because we're not like, I'm gonna take a buy, does not mean that your idea is wrong, okay? Chat has their own perspective on the charts. You can't force everybody in the chat to take a position. That's not how it works. They gonna see what they want to see and take what they want to see. They're like, what do you want them to do? Just be like, yeah. Like, nah, if someone sees a level for sells, they see a level for sells, man. Goddamn, like. But you don't gotta get mad at yourself because chat's not listening to you. You know how many times chat doesn't listen to me? When I sell, everyone buys. Like, you know, It's like how many people are in here, chat? 1,000? There's 1,000 people in here, chat. 1,000 people in here. You can't get everyone to understand your analysis. And if you don't get anyone to understand your analysis, that doesn't mean you're wrong. It just means you see something that people don't see. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, man? But yo, find your likes for a trade, man. Find your likes for a trade. Like if you're in a position, yeah, man, just trade your stops and profit and hold to your TP. You got the easiest job to do in the world right now. Trade your stops, best feeling in the world for you right now. When you have stocks that break even, you're trading them in profit. You let it rock. Just let it rock, because you know your day is done now. No matter what happens, you're in profit today. Yeah, I'm still hunting for positions here. So that's why I want to see if we can get a bottom wick here, chat. Lock it in. Lock it in, lock it in, lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. Lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. Yeah, it might happen here. 2708, 2706. 2708.049, 2706.847, chat. I'm in a no bottom wick zone. If you can close weak bearish here, I'll be fine. On the 5, that'll be great actually. Yeah, 2 minute stuff for that. Okay, cool. Are we in a trade? No, but we could be shortly. NYC open, just a reminder, chat, in case you guys are not looking at the time, 9:30. So in 17 minutes, you have NYC open. All right, NYC open in 10 minutes or 17 minutes. How about spreads? Spreads are, for me, I think less than a pip right now, or around a pip actually. What are spreads for you guys right now? Yes, it's a bank holiday today, but there's volume clearly. It is a bank holiday today. Say NYC is closed, bro. Word. Okay, you have NYC open time at 9:30. NYC open time at 10:30 or 9:30, chat. Okay, you got a bottom wick here, but it's 5 starting to reflip bullish again. Still got nothing, chat. Still got nothing. Damn. Come on, gold. 15's in a closer. The 5's in a closer. This is a chance for a bottom wick here. Let's see. Can we get a bottom wick? You really only got to push down like 22 pips, gold. It's not that much to ask for. It is not that hard. How's this look on GC? Straight up sell right here, huh? Wow, what a difference in the charts. What a difference. Wow. Chat, for those who trade GC and for those who trade gold, what has cleaner price action? No top wick? Nice. 2706, 2706, 2706. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Gold? Nice here in GC for price action. For sure, CFDs. Gold CFD. Go back to sleep, bro. Gold CFD. I trade GC, but watch XC for price action. Gold futures. What's the plan here? I'm looking to see if we can get a tap into 2706. $27.07 basically. 22 pips away. 20 pips away. Yeah, no top wick too. Man. We about to fly. We about to fly. My strat uses pivots, so you see if these pivots. Pivots, I got it. Pivots. Haven't heard about pivots in a while, huh? NYC going crazy? Well, NYC is close today, so 9:30 gonna go crazy though. 9:30 gonna go crazy. Chat, tomorrow, just a little quick look at the feature folders here. Tomorrow you got nothing going on. Don't stress. So Wednesday you have nothing going on again. Don't stress. Thursday, stress a little bit. You have unemployment claims at 8:30. Yen interest rates as well during Asian session. So if you're trading Asian session, you know it's gonna be crazy in there. So in the same channel, we'll be looking at that. Friday you got flash manufacturing PMI. So it's a pretty chill week. I think surprisingly today is the only day you gotta worry about, and it's a bank holiday too. Crazy, huh? The only day you gotta worry about is today, and it's a bank holiday. So yeah, maybe a little bit tomorrow unemployment claims, but to be honest, today could have more volume than tomorrow. Would not be surprised. All right, nice. Go. Just drive up. Yeah. Drive. Just drive. I'm still looking for a wick entry sales chat at 27.16 still, but we're quite far away from there still. This is cool though. Higher highs, higher lows being printed. Nice. Very nice. I can't take a buy here though. It's tapping the resistance level. These 5 counts are very nice for wicks. Actually, you know what? How much is the wick fill up? 14 pips. How's the 5 gonna close in 12 seconds? Let's see. Bearish doji or bullish? Look where you tap on the 1. You don't want to get your entries in at this area because it can still reject here. If you want entries, you want wick fills up. You want to see pullbacks and wick fills up or wick entries up. You don't want to get those breakout highs there. But it's pulling back here, so let's see. Can we get a wick entry here? We might here, chat. We might have some wick entries here, chat. Come on, gold, crash out. I'm looking for like 2706 though for buys. I want to see how it comes down here. What structure it's creating down here. It's an Obama could be a problem here. Or no topic, sorry, could be a problem here. Could be a problem. But I wasn't looking for it. I wasn't looking for like a 15 bottom wick or a 5 bottom wick here. I'm looking more so for like the overall zone tap still at 2706. That's if it doesn't tap 20. Like that's if it doesn't tap into these zones first though. Focused on. I'm focusing. What's up, Calvin? Good day today, sir. Why'd you not buy near 2703? Because I wanted to see a break, one more break below 2701 and then a buy above 2704 up. I wanted to see this. Or this, sorry. I wanted to see a tap and then a flip. So then we'll look at that. And my buys would have been on the flip up. But that didn't happen. I think at the time that's what we were looking for. Looking back at it now, why didn't I buy? I don't know, my dumb ass. But at the time when I was looking at like a live price action, I was looking for just that confirmation. Okay, rebreaking a low is cool. You might get a low here. Can you get a rebreak of lows in the 5? Mm. 15 little tall wick, 1 hour candle. What it is? 2707. 4 and 1 still have no bottom wicks. Could be an issue still. You still got range towards 2707, which is your next minor support level on price here. Five-minute candle closes in a minute and 8 seconds here. You're creating structure under 1 coming down though, so that's nice. Where's my... Can I drop a like here, chat? We may get positions very shortly here. I know I've been saying that all morning, but like, I'm only saying it because there's actually potential. $7.12. Five closure in about a minute here, chat. And you have NYC open here. Let's see how this 5 closes. Let's see. Let's see. We have range coming down here if we do close. Let's see. Close respecting. Close respecting. 30-minute candle closes bullish for NYC open. And you're still stuck between here. You're stuck between here. You rebroke the highs, right? You rebroke the highs. If you get a top wick up here, that's what 30 pip range, and then if you flip bearish, I'll give you 25. 25. You get that top wick on the bearish flip. Be bearish below here still. Okay, cool. Okay, plays are developing. Plays are developing. I want to see if you're able to if we are looking for sells today, or if we are looking for sells in this range due to 15 bottom wick, 30 bottom wick that's going to be created for NYC, or 1 hour flip, 4 hour flip. If we are looking for sells, I want to see just a top wick at like 27.11 here, and then a bearish flip, and then we'll look for sells coming down towards 27.07, towards that zone there. I want to see the top wick. Otherwise, you can still flip and drive. 30-minute candle can still fill the wick, right? So that's what I'm thinking. Like I'm thinking NYC opens and start off by pushing up first to fill his wick, and I'll give you the 5 top wick. And then let's say like this thing starts to like, let's say you close respecting here, right? There's a resistance there. NYC opens up, fills the wick, great. Flips bearish, that'll be your sell. The flip down towards 27.07, and that's like a 20 pip range you have from here to here, 27, 22 pip range. I don't know about 27.02. I don't know if these levels down here, but I do know about the clean traffic level down towards 27.07. So that's kind of what I'm eyeing here. Just a couple more things to happen. And then the next idea is that if it does just fill the wick and it drives up, I can't look for buys at 27.13. I can't do that. But what I could do is look for wick entries at like 27.16 for sells down. 27.16 down towards like 27.13, because even if price were to make its way up here, we'll do something like this first. And you're taking advantage of the wick entry here down towards 27.13. So it's like a 30 pip range you got there. And let's say it does drive down, then it drives down. Great, right? But you'll be out here anyways at these price points. That's like my ideas right now, chat, that I have updated ideas. The 15 top wick is an issue though. Definitely was an issue because this thing's gonna close bearish here. $50 seconds for NYC, chat. Lock it in, 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 lock it in. How are you? How are you, man? How are you going? How are you doing? There, you might close above it. Above 27.09. Minute close strongly bullish above. So that wick fill is still doable. It's a range of 20 pips going up, but again, if it is, I would want to see a bottom wick first for buys, right? Which is 2707.69 or 295, which means that the range going up towards the flip would be 30 pips for us, and then overall wick fill would be 48. But I would prefer to take that entry if it were to tap 2707 first there. Just a lot cleaner there. Trees. Yeah, pay attention here. Pay attention. He's gonna flip on a 30, just one flip for a top wick. I've had top wick. Chat, if you get a flip on a 30 here, flip back up, you break the highs at 27.10, 719. 30-minute candle rebreaks was on low. That'll be our sell coming down towards 27.06. I just want to confirm this wick fill, or at least half the wick fill, at least, or at least the flip minimum on a 30. If that were to happen and you come back down to rebreak its own low, down at 27.08, then that's your continuation down towards 07. All right, so you got the flip. And you got continuation down now. All right, chat. Could be market executions here, okay? Get ready. Get ready. I'll let you guys know when. I'll let you guys know when I'm getting in. All right, chat. I got in here. I got on sells here. NYC 930. I got on sells here. Off of these candles here. Let me see where my entry is. 2709.16. Entries are down here. Stop loss is, whoa. Stop loss, I'll say I'll put it up here for now. TP is gonna be down here at 2707, okay? 2707.059. 27, actually no, you know what? 2706.71 is my TP. 2706.81. So TP, modify that. Modify that. All right, chat. This is the position. Looking for just the fill of the range fill at 2707. Nothing more. Just towards zeros here for a bottom wick. That's basically it. It's gonna be well above the 1 hour flip too. And then what else can I say about it? Yes, the stops up here, but we'll manage risk if it closes above like 27.13. If it does end up closing above here. Right, but for the most part, this looks pretty good to drive down towards here at least, minimum. Which is a 24 pip range for us. Was your original idea down? Yeah, it was, but I just waited for that extra top wick, that flip on a 30. And once I got that flip on a 30, and then you rebroke the lows, or came down to rebreak the recent lows, that's why I took the entry off of. Just be prepared for above 27.13. If it does end up closing above there, then we'll manage risk. But I'm expecting this to come down for a steeper bottom wick here. I wouldn't extend TP passes though, chat. 27.07 is a pretty strong level, and that's the level we're looking for price to continue going up here, right? Which is why we're looking for sells down towards that area. We couldn't get the wick entries at 27.12, so then we waited for structure to form, and now with the 30 closing the way it is and expecting a bottom wick on the 30, which taps into that zone there, we got in sells off of that. What is this? 21 pips on the break of those highs there. 28. Okay. 5 closed weak bearish. I created a top wick, broke the highs. Or on MT5, it broke the highs at least. This high did not break, but broke the highs on MT5. And you get a continuation down. There's 716. I have a level right here too, chat, like a minor support. That's 2707, no, 2707.65 right there. Can you get a pop here? Can you get a pop? We get a pop. Next pineapple, if we do get one, is going to be like around 27.14. But then we're waiting for a closure to see how price closes above there. Because if it does close above there, then we can close that pineapple right there and close this one in a small loss instead of our original stops. That's only if it closes above that level. Chat, pay attention to 27.07.63 here. Okay, chat? Can we get a pop? Can we get a pop? Minute candle. Open's been fluttering around. You made a low, yeah, made a high. You reflip bullish a couple times. This is a low, right? Yeah, 2708.85. That 30-minute low right there. You flipping this minute counter here could be interesting. Oh, there's a flip. Upwork. Can you come down towards entries now? You see how you haven't closed below here in the minute? I know this is just a minute chat and this is like a way much smaller confirmation, but if you break these lows again, which is the 1 hour lows, or close below here, there's a much higher chance you have the drive and you expect a pop. So when you see that, just be ready to like manage, because we're looking to close between TP and 2707.65 here. But that's how you identify like when you have that pop on the trade, just by looking at the small time frame, right? This isn't for entries. This is more so when to expect the volume and when to expect the pop. The push, in other words. Levi. GC played out? That's not fair, bro. Yeah, GC looks like it's gonna continue down towards 27, 26 here. Or at least here. At least there. Uh-oh. Part 2. You know, it'd be nice go if you just get one solid push down in a minute, huh? NYC opened up 10 minutes ago. I know the banks are closed today, but still 9:30 at least. Can you zoom in? Yeah. I got you. Here. That better? That's like the 4th top wick on a 30-minute count now, huh? Don't blink here. My thing is like, if a 30-minute count flipped, you're expecting a drive. re-break at highs at least. And it did like 3-4 times now. Hasn't driven yet. So like it's a high chance it's gonna create a steeper bottom wick. And that's the bottom wick towards that 2707 zone for us. How much is this range in a minute here? 13 pip range. I start to tweaking. My friends aren't that bad right now. It's just fluttering though. The volume is, it's not even volume, it's just like fluttering on price. I would expect a push either direction though. When it flutters like this, it's gotta pop. How much is this flip to here is 12 pips, 11 pips. .65. You have a 5 closure in a minute here. You want to see a bearish closure here. If you get a bearish closure in this 5 chat, the next 5 comes up for a top wick, we might have a second entry at roughly like 27.10. So if you get a top wick the next 5 while closing below these wicks here, right? You expect this to happen. Right, so you want to see a top wick and then your entries could be in the re-break of these lows on the flip coming down. Depending on how high the top wick is though. But you do want to see this 5 close below here. That'd be nice. Or you know what? Not even below here. Below here would be at least better than these closures, but you want to see it close below here. This trade though right now is heavily based off the 30. Looking at the 30-minute time frame. That's what it's off of. $35 seconds. Can you close below 09.603 here? This is super weird. Storing all those jab fakes. Well, if you know where the bottom wick is going to be, it's not really a jab fake, right? All right, chat. Close the format positions right there. As you tap that zone there. As you tap that zone there. Wow, that was before the 5 closure too. Interesting. Okay, cool. Yeah, chat. That's my position for the NY session so far. First trade of the day. Not bad, huh? Not bad, huh? Not bad, huh? I said pay attention to 2707.807, right? I don't know why it's different on my MT5, but it's the same price point. Mine shows like 63, and this shows like 82, but same price point. You come down towards the area, you expect some type of reaction there. Now, here's the thing now. Are we gonna continue down is the question. Are we gonna continue down, right? 30-minute candle, you can see it's been struggling to reflip and drive. It's been struggling quite a bit. So you're coming closer to a sense of direction for this 1 hour candle at least. And yeah, with the 30-minute candle struggling like that, creating those top wicks and not flipping bullish, and the 5 starting to open up here, it's just a matter of top wicks here. But I would probably hold out right now until maybe this 5 closure, because this 5 did close below the range here. Oh yeah, it did close below the range. Wow, never mind, it did close below the range. I thought I closed respecting it. Okay. But I think for my next position search chat, it could likely be at 10 a.m. I want to see how this plays out. There might be one late into this 1 hour count, like around like 9:55. We'll see how things look at 9:55, but that was for the most part what we're expecting minimum if you were to drive up now, because this was our buy zone earlier, right? But if you have range coming down, you can also take the sells down because you're expecting a bottom wick. Now that you tapped it, yeah, you can go up any given point. So I want to see how these candles play out next year, but positions could be at 10 a.m. and it could be biased for us depending on how things look. All right, chat. But yeah, not bad position, man. Not bad. We did what did we do there? We did 9999. Hey man, let's go. W day. I think that's 1% too. Why I like 50-50 trades? How is it a 50-50 trade? I don't take 50-50 trades. I only take setups that have high quality setups that have a high chance of playing out. How is it a 50-50? It was a 50-50 at maybe 9 a.m. But the more times you tap for a top wick, and we even waited for a top wick too, right? The more it becomes, okay, you're expecting a bottom wick. 60% chance you're expecting a bottom wick, but the 1 hour can still flip. Okay, so maybe 4% chance 1 hour can still flip bullish, 60% chance you're expecting a bottom wick here. You get more top wicks, that's 70% now. You have a chance to come down. You get another top wick on 30, 80% chance you have to come down. You have another wick on 30, 9% you have a chance to come down, right? So like that movement on structure is what develops that probability of the trade. And that's what we took here. We took just that bottom wick to come down. We did that bottom wick. But chat, W day, bro. W fucking day. Because if it wasn't for those sells, chat, buys at 2707 would have been ideal too. That was our buy entry level. And if it wasn't for that, then I think it would have been we probably would have waited to see what happens about 2713. But there could still be potential for sells here today, chat. Like I would not push that away just yet, okay? I know we're bullish for the most part of the day today, but things are starting to kind of move a little wonky here. So you have to just adapt to price action here. So let's see, man. We might get an actual move of the day still. This was not like a move of a day. This is more so of liquidity, I'll say. A move of the day is when you have directional, when you have like actual bearish direction. And the only way I can see that happening is if you come up to tap like 2713 and then you flip bearish on 30 again. Because then what you're gonna do here is you're gonna be doing this. And then for sure you're gonna rip down towards the range fill 2702, right? But you want to see this pop up here first. Let's see, gold sells. What percent is that, chat? What did you guys do today? What percent did you guys do today? We also better get some likes up for that too, chat. If you guys made something off of that trade there. Yeah, I've reached my goal for sure. 2%? No. Yeah, 0.80%, 0.86%. Chat, are you guys liking the percentage thing so far though? Over pips and win rate? Because now there's no excuse, right? I think a lot of people have been preferring the percentage because it's just more accurate compared to pips and win rate and all that. Yeah. Nope, prefer pips. All right, so we did 40 pips for a day. Same shit though. What I learned from Trino Dawn, I was putting my entry at Dawn's drawdown. Isn't that a pineapple though, Sunfire? Isn't that a pineapple? I was looking for an entry if we had one more wick there at like 2710, but we didn't get that. Up on 40? Because we had 4 positions. Roughly 40. I don't know if it's actually 40. Like 39. 39 worst case. Oh man, these minute candles here. Can you use what stop is this? 45 now. Compound journal ready? No, it's not ready. Chat, what's crypto at, bro? 53? The Trump coin. XRP? Yo, wait, you look at this higher highs that are being developed here, man? Look at this lower low. Damn. Are you telling me it's not gonna make an all-time high today, chat? XRP? Neat. Not bad for a bank holiday, huh, chat? Not bad for a bank holiday. What time is it? 5 minutes left for a 1 hour closure. Delete this. And also, chat, if we do target more sells today, it won't be 2707. It'll have to be below there, because if you're retempting the sells again on the, you're expecting this to rebreak the lows basically, right? Your TV can probably be a little lower. So like 2706.9. That's like the next level you have, which is the rebreak of lows. If we do attempt sells. If there are any opportunities for sells. I don't understand this math. Well, that's why we're not going off of pips. We're going off of percentages, because it was 0.86% on a trade. That's what I did. If you are, that's why we're using percentages now. And for the year, chat, I think for the year now, let me see an update on that. For the year, we are doing. What are we doing for the year? Negative 2.19% now. Not bad. Not bad. Last week we ended up doing chat. Last week we did, I think it was 5%. The week before we did negative 6%. Or no, negative 8%. The first week of January was like a short week because we came on the 6th. We did 0.75%. And last month we did 10% total. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Someone complained that you just made money. And they always do, man. They always do. The RR cult is having strokes right now, but money is in the pocket. That's all that matters. Yeah, we secured it. We secured the analysis. What the fuck does W mean? It means a win. Hold your trade to 2652 levels. We struggle with visit these areas. 2652. I don't know. The thing is, like, that could be accurate, but I don't know about that entry to 2652, because I'm still expecting like 2616, 2613 here. Right now, it's just like, if anything, liquidity has moved down. We to rip up still. So I'm still afraid of that happening. For a 26.52 entry, if that's on like the higher time frame, you want to take your entry off the higher time frame too. So what's your TP here? 52, 26.52. That's down here. I don't think it's gonna come down from here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm still bullish overall this week. And I'm expecting at least like 27.30 this week. So if I am taking like a higher time frame entry, I would prefer something like this. Like a huge rejection after tapping into those zones completely. And then, you know, from here or something down. That's the only way it'll make sense for me, because you got to clear this range out now. This is your support, right? This is the range you created. Support, resistance, you got to clear the range out, which means that you got to at least break above to grab liquidity before coming down as a higher time frame maneuver. So I don't know about this entry right here. I mean, who knows? Maybe this could be the high. And I'm guessing you're going off of this, right? You're going off of these levels to the left here. It could be the high, but I will say there's structure being created up here. And that's the difference between this and this. There's no structure here. That's why price rejected easily. Same thing as this. This is just a pullback for this initial move. This move right here was a move coming down. That doesn't count. This is a move coming up. This is a move coming up. The difference between here and here though is that this has structure. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? This had no structure, just maybe one higher low there. So that's why I'm expecting this to break and not just reject this level. So that's the difference, I'll say. Chat, 1 minute left for a closure here. Let's see. If that's all we get for a day, it's all we get for a day. No complaints. It is a bank holiday, right? But you can see there's been some decent volume today. Today's range was, daily range today was 240 pips. And day's not done yet. So let me redo my analysis here, because it looks like you came up, tapped into these zones here, came down, tapped these zones here, and reduce levels too. One second for a closure. 1 hour just closed there. 1 hour close bullish. You're expecting a bottom wick. Can you fill this wick up first? Can you fill this wick up first? Chat, if you fill this wick up first at 27.12 here, obviously you're expecting the rebreak at higher. You're expecting a breakout, a drive through, right? Which likely could happen. But for some odd reason, you come up, you break the highs, you fill the wick, and then you flip bearish again while still respecting that resistance at 27.11 because it closed below. Then this can happen. You come down to the bottom of the range and you just range for the day. You might not break out today completely because it's 10 a.m. How much more volume do you have in a day to break out? Right. So if you do get a pop up, which I do want to see before attempting any sells there towards 27.11.96 minimum, you then reject. We can look for sells on the 1 hour rebreakout lows down. Because now we're heading into like pullback territory with the time of the day. It's 10, right? You guys know every day, usually at 10, 11, that's when you usually pull back for a day. And if you've been traveling up today, you gotta pull back for a bottom wick, which is what I'm assuming this would be if you do tap 12, 11 and pull back to rebreak the lows. Okay. If it does just continue down from here, then it continues down from here. You know, it is what it is. We won't be grabbing the push on price to sells, unfortunately, but I would love to grab another position for sells down. Damn. Damn, chat. News today. Share day? No, I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty decent. You had a lot of opportunities today. Like we had opportunities at 27.03, which we didn't enter off of. We had selling opportunities at 27.12, which we didn't enter off of, and then we actually had opportunities for sales, which we did enter off of. Like we had 3 different opportunities today. It wasn't like a dry day where nothing presented itself, right? Wow, look at this sell, chat. Look at this sell. Let me ask you guys now, chat. Are you bullish or bearish for the day? What's your bias now, chat? What's your bias? Your bias now? See, me asking you this builds a good habit because it's like you know what your bias is for a day. But that doesn't always mean that you have to only take trades with your bias. Because we were bullish today and we took sells and we had, if anything, we had more sell ideas today than buy ideas. But we were bullish for the day. Need to close below 27.05. 27.05. Oh, right here. True, true, true. Damn, what a move. 4 pit range. Damn. You get a top wicker and a 5 closure at the same time for a wick fell down. Chat, if you get this right here, this would be very nice. Bearish candle closure. Next candle comes up like this. Taps the high. Reflips bearish. It'll look like that on the 5. On the 1 minute though, guess how it will look. 1 minute will look like this. It'll be another fake out. It'll be a double fake out for a day. It'll be like this, literally like this. If this were to happen on the 5, where you create a top wiggle like this, and then it'll come back into the ranges. And if it does come back to the ranges like that, then what's this for you, chat? That's your move of the day. Your first bearish move of the day with a directional bias. And it's a 50 pip range you can grab too. It'll be the full range this time. It won't just be the bottom wick, because earlier we were looking for that sell for liquidity to go up. It didn't go up. It struggled. If it does go up, it'll have to be here on the rebreak of the highs. It doesn't go up there again. It comes back into the range. Where is it gonna go now? To fill the whole entire range now towards step 27.03. So that's what I want to see for me to grab a position for sales here. I wouldn't grab them here yet because this could still flip on a 30 and the 1 hour time frame. But if that does flip and it does come back to the range like this, that's a double fake out. And usually the second part of the fake out is the direction you head for the day. Because then this would be a fake out. This would be fake out number 1. And the second fake out will be up here, number 2. And you grab those sales down. If it comes down right here and taps 27.03, then that's my day. I'm calling it. I'm getting off the charts. Boys, my plane is taking off. Hurry up and take a trade. Yo, W Wade, bro. Have a safe flight, bro. Have a safe flight. Those plane trades be hitting different though. It's the only time that you can enter a trade and set and forget without forcing or without like having any urge to check it, because you can't. when you have no anything up there. What's happening at BTC? Nothing. 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 Wow. All-time highs, man. This is new. How many trades you guys take today? Change strategy? No, it's the same strategy. There's just some new concepts that we apply to it on a smaller time frame too, and just more of a structure based. Same concepts though. We just took the flaws from our last strategy and look for ways around the flaws. And rinse and repeat. That's what you want to do with your strategy. Same strategy, chat. It's price action. It's candle reading at the end of the day, right? One trade. 23, 3, 2, 2. Chat, if it does come down here towards 03, I'm calling it. Without top wick, I'm calling it. It's 10. It's 10:09 here. It's either that or 10:30. So hard cutoff time by 10:30. If that doesn't happen, we'll call it a day. All right. Pistol, my strat entry came up and I chickened out. Yeah, you don't want to chicken out, man. When you get your entry, you don't want to chicken out. Because that just leads to long-term fear, like more fear over time. Even if you have your perfect trade and you take it and it doesn't play out, but you still took it, it's better than not taking it and not having it play out. Does that make sense? Because you want to get into the habit of taking high quality setups. And if you wait all day and you got your high quality setup and you didn't take it, when are you ever going to take it? So even if it doesn't play out and you took it, it's still good because it's still a high probability setup. If you took a trade that is not a high probability setup, that wasn't part of your plan, then different story. It's a shit trade. US 30. US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30. Where's my US 30 chart? Yeah, it looks like US 30 is in this range here. 43,411 to 43,918. Yeah, range going up. Now I know US 30 don't pull back as much as you do with gold, so I don't know. I can't say this is gonna pull back or not for a bottom wick. In gold, I would expect to pull back or something. I was expecting confirmation. I'll probably be like, okay, wait for a bottom wick to tap into these zones here. Once you tap into these zones here, we can look for wick entries there, because then you're just expecting this to occur. right? And if that doesn't occur, if that does not happen, and what you do instead is you just close below like so, you still got to form a top before coming down, looking at price here. So then you'll be good either way with those wick entries there. So if this is gold, that's what I'll be looking for. If you're 30, I don't know, because you don't pull back all the time. You might just head up here. Okay, chat, look. You're creating that top wick, right? If you can flip on the 1 hour time frame before 9:30 here, you re-break the lows below 27.08. That's our sell. So you got 30 more pips to go up, and then you need a flip, which is 30 pips down. And then below 27.08, you have range till 27.03. You want to see 27.11 tap first here. All right. I said be very cautious about this. When I said it, chat, when it looks too clean, don't enter. You close below the range here. And a lot, going back to what someone said earlier, yo, Don, your 5-minute entries were better in the past. This would have been our 5-minute entry. But understanding the structure that has to play out first now, we didn't get an entry there. Right, but in the past, in my line chat, we'll be like, oh yeah, closure below the range, chat. Let's take a sell here. And then we'll be in drawdown. So now we understand structure more, we understand liquidity more, we know that we need a flip here. And then a closure back below. And then a closure back below. So no sells here. Not a sell here, no, because you need a top wick here. Right? I passed my funded. I want to pass $150 funded account. I bought it for $8. Okay, well, what are you at? Why not buys? If you flip bullish on the 1 hour candle, I'm expecting price to continue dropping up. Right? So we know that. We know that if the 1 hour candle flips bullish here, you're expecting a drive up, which is your buys. But with the time of a day now, it's 10:30, nearing 10:30, late volume day, and you flip about 6 times, 7 times already today so far, 2 great top wicks, right? And you haven't driven yet. If you tap that level again, I'm going to stay off the buys. Because for buys, I'd rather take buys above 27.16. Above there is a lot cleaner. This is your clean traffic territory after. You're running into these ranges here. And then you're looking for buys above because that's clean traffic. But if you come up and flip bullish, you're running into a resistance. So you don't want to take your buy there. And for some reason, if price does flip at if it does tap 27.11, the 1 hour candle flips bullish, technically it's supposed to drive up. But if it doesn't drive up and it reflips bearish again, then you have a double fake out. What's going to end up happening is this now. It closes above. Usually we'll buy there. But since we know that that's a heavy resistance level, we'll wait for price to close back into the range. Like this. Below 27.8. And then that's our sell. Because guess what happens on the 1 hour time from now? The 1 hour time frame goes from looking like this to looking like this. Right? So you open up down. My bad. You open up down. You came up, flip bullish, and now you're re-breaking. What has happened since? So you opened up, came down, you came up again, and now you're doing this. What does that look like now? And if you start to break below 27.08, then what are you doing? You're doing this. You're hovering here now. What's it doing? It's creating structure. So then that's your confirmation for your sells. Does that make sense? So that's why I'm not buying. Because I'm aware that this can still happen. And if that happens, this right here is your key. This right here is what you want to look out for in that situation, which is going to be 27.08. You might not see it on the 1 hour, on the 30, on the 15, but you will see this, what I drew in the arrows here, form on the 5 and the 1. You might see the structure form there, and that'll give you that information. So that's how I use my 1 minute time frame. Now, I don't look for entries there. I use the higher time frame stuff, but I'm looking for 1 minute entries with the structure. Those little details that you don't see in a higher time frame. Why am I not taking buys here? Well, because I don't know if it's going to flip or not. This could just be this. So then why are you not taking sells, Don? Well, because look, you printed this. Higher highs and higher lows. Any given point can still pop up. And if you look at the 1 hour time frame, that can still flip as well. Make sense? So it's not new, chat. It's just a lot more detail now than it was ever before. So I'm telling you guys, like, give it some time. It's only been like 10 days for streaming. Give it like at least 3 months, and you're gonna look back and be like, yo, I'm so glad we adapted this. I'm so glad we adjusted the strategy, because I'm telling you right now, we would have got clapped there on the entry at 27.06, because we would have said, oh yeah, clean traffic below here, and then below here takes you down towards here. But we weren't aware of the 1 hour top wick liquidity and all that. So it's not new, it's just adding on, you know? Adding on. Hold on, chat. Give me like 2 seconds. All right, I'm back. What did you flip? Oh wow, you popped up here. Okay, yeah, you got 10 minutes, chat. We have to print that top wick within the next 10 minutes, or else I'm hopping off. Cause 10:30, and then at least to 11, and you know, gets a little dry at 11 usually for NY session, and today's a bank holiday too. So you might not have the full volume there. BTC is falling like crazy. Here's the thing, when you guys say the word crazy, what do you mean by that? Like, bro, if it looks like this, like, this is not crazy, bro. It's been doing this all morning. Yo, you guys gotta stop exaggerating it, because you guys are scaring me. If it does this, okay, this might be a little crazy. Mm-hmm. Like crazy would be like if it dropped to like 7200, 72,000, you know? Anything here is still like expected because you're ranging for now until you close above and break out maybe. I don't know about crazy. I don't know about crazy, chat. I don't know about that crazy. You know what dropped like crazy? This dropped like crazy. Matic. XRP bullish. Let's go. Chat, what day does crypto move the most on usually? You guys think? I swear it's Saturday in terms of volume. Usually on Saturday I see the most volume in crypto. The weekend, right? Yeah, the weekend. Hot to a coin drop like crazy. Yeah, that drop like crazy. Weekend. Yeah, for sure, weekend. The 30-minute candle flip, chat. Came close. 37 pip range to re-break the lows. That's pretty nice. 30 wick fill too. Oh shit, my bad. Yo, yeah, Discord charge today. My fault. I totally forgot today. My fault. Yeah, let me check that. My fault. Check this before the candle closes here. Still got some time. 16 pips. Well done today, trader Don. Always enter at Don's drawdowns. It doesn't matter if you miss some trades. I always put my entry at drawdown for more gains from all the pineapple position. Yeah, that's good entry. 3rd minute, 27.11. What do you have here? Sells down. Range. Buys above 27.11, sells low 5. Yeah. Don't trade that range. You're not trading this range right now. Then you're looking for just breakout. Yeah, you're gonna get that tomorrow probably. Tomorrow or Wednesday for sure. You took a sell there. Quick entry buys by Fabian. Here are all my levels I got for today. Not sure what the inauguration is going to take us. Yeah. There's a lot of levels here though. I'm guessing these are small time frame levels too. Sans Curry. Oh, nice pineapple. We love these ones. Yep. Position there, pineapple position there, come down. You got one after some drawdown. That's cool. Entry was at 07. You came up to like 09. So 20 bit drawdown the main position, 10 bit drawdown here, and you closed off at like 10, 12 pips, not bad. 14 pips. Yo, Levi, expect a rejection. Break even or close. Daily resistance. This is a 1 hour. 27.03. Oh yeah, that's where I got mine too. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Closure below for sell. It's pretty clean. What else do you have? Wait for liquidity grab. Wait for the liquidity grab below 2703.4, then long above 2710.24. Oh, so you got the buys up today. Above 10. Oh no, you're waiting for above 10. Wait, so what stopped you from taking entries once you grab the liquidity below 03.4? Oh, nice chart. Let's see. Range breakout above weekly. Daily range 2 breakout on a daily. 4-hour range 2 breakout above. Okay, yeah, above 18 levels. All those levels cool. Range 1 breakout above in the 4 here. Yeah, so range 2. That's why the stronger level there is 27.13 strong level. You took a buy here at 27.05. Stop loss below the 02 levels. Is this just now? Under 1 hour? Or was this earlier? Oh no, this is earlier. This is the 1 hour opening. Yeah. This played out. Yeah, good entry. This came out 46 pips. This thing's gonna dip, man. Nice chart. Did you close out though? I'm assuming you did, right? You came like break even at least. That's a good trade. Huh? You in longs? Or are you short there? Oh, this is Bitcoin, bro. You trolling. Bitcoin daily sells or buys at 49 or sells at 49. I'm guessing you took a sell there. I don't know what this means. Even though I did my analysis, this was a trade from today's 4-hour opening with no bottom wick. Waited for a closure. So even though I did my analysis, this was this was the trade from today. 4-hour open, no bottom wick. Waited for a closure from the 5:15:30 to get more clear indications. So the 15 closed, no bottom wick, being closed to resistance. Expecting some sort of rejection, and got my 11 pips entered on the 15 opening. Yeah, it's a good entry. Yeah, I was looking for something there after. I think this is the first time I was looking for sells of the day. Not after this, but after it hovered here for a bit, and I got mine after yours. Yeah, it's clean. Damn, you actually sold here. You said, well. So you're telling me you have a Bitcoin entry at $49,000 on Bitcoin? You're telling me you're expecting a 50% retracement on price overall. You gotta add a pineapple or something, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because for you going to profit, it has to flip bearish here. Not only flip bearish, it has to chop. Look at Trump USD. What's happening? Nothing. This is scaring me, man. Whenever I talk about it, you guys are just, look at this, look at that. 9:30 here. Yeah, this is done. This is done. 15 no bottom wick. You can get a tap into 27.11. But you know what? We did good today, though. We did good today, chat. That's it for me. That's one trade, one and done today. Just one trade for us today, okay? That's it for me. We're gonna move on till tomorrow, and tomorrow you have a normal day. So tomorrow's not a bank holiday. You have a normal day. We'll move on to that. Not bad. Not bad day, chat. Very informative stream today. Good way to start the week off. We were patient today. Waited about 2 hours for a trade setup. We got one. We entered a bit of drawdown, but nonetheless, it played out in our favor. And yeah, it was just a bank holiday. So what else could we expect for the day, right? That's it for me, though. I'm gonna move on to tomorrow, and then I'll be here tomorrow, chat. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll be here. So I guess I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Every day, chat. Chat, I just need you guys to do one thing today. Leave a like and sub to the channel if you guys are new. That's it. Leave a like on the stream, sub to the channel, and a lot more shit coming this year, chat. A lot more shit coming this year, okay? Also, if you guys are still trading today, just join the Discord. If you guys are still trading, join the Discord. Discord.gg/DVS. And then you can talk about charts here and crypto if you guys wanted to. We added a crypto channel yesterday. W Levi. Appreciate you, bro. All right, Zoom. I hope you guys had a good first day back with no delay. For those who don't know, we now have Zoom back for the year for all course members that were part of the alumni, and also the single channel people. And also another reminder that we are going to be taking the signals off the website on Friday. It won't be there no more. But if you are in signals, there'll still be signals being called, so don't worry. But by Friday, there'll be no more way. There won't be a way to purchase. All right, chat. WD chat. I'm gonna call it here. Okay. Just be careful of this 15-0 bottom wick, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Cool. Cool. Yo, hold on. I want to show you guys my beat first. Before we dip off completely, I want to show you guys my beat because we ended up making that beat, chat, and I wanted to add some shit to it. Let me see. Where's my beat? Where's my beat? I was expecting a lot more shit on crypto today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Hold on, chat. Yo, 1 to 10, chat. Rate out 1 to 10. First ever beat. I'm not even done the beat. But 1 to 10. 1 to 10, chat. You guys ready? One to 10. Don't expect anything crazy. This is what we did on Friday on stream. That's basically it. I'm gonna give it a solid 5 after hearing it again. I need to work on I need to add this beat drop. I don't know how to do it. But I added a beat switch. I added a beat switch here. W chat. That was it. W day, bro. W day. Love you guys. Peace out.
I'm on one of those. Hey, fine shit. These Givenchy slides. Hey, fine shit. She a bad bitch. Hey, fine shit. Toes and hair done. Hey, fine shit. You a AP, fine shit. Ugh, 5 shit. This mine, 5 shit. Money looking good. Hey, baddies with Givenchy. Baddies do it properly. She call me Daddy Poppy. Yeah, she do it proudly. Head good, head fine shit. Pussy good, I'm munching. Life good, I'm lunching. Hey, fine shit. Run the tab in Balenci. Do the dab on Balenci. Fine shit, hop out of Bentley. Do some fine shit. I'm on one of those. Hey, fine shit. These Givenchy slides. Hey, fine shit. She a bad bitch. Hey, fine shit. Toes and hair done. Hey, fine shit.
I need a power.
I remember when you said I was nothing. I made everything, but they gave me nothing. Swag, swag on my belt, yeah, I'm stunting. Swag, swag on my belt, yeah, I'm stunting. Swag, swag on my belt, yeah, I'm stunting. Know you mad, girl, please say something. Yeah, she brought me down till I turned into nothing. What lessons did I learn? Nothing. I ain't giving fuck, no, I'm addicted to the fucking. Block take, get the badge, ain't no dunking. I'm an emo nigga, be the Courtney to my Duncan. He don't like me, but he like my sound. Tell my son to do what's right, now what's wrong now. She got mad again, like, girl, what's wrong now? 2 guns, if I up, they gon' go pow.
2 guns on my up if it goes down. 2 guns on my up, they gon' go. 2 guns on my up, they gon' go pow. In my bag, yeah, I had to kick the hoes out. Me and gang, yeah, we all up on bro. When I pull up to the side, they pull their phone out. Got a bag, now I'm flying to the coast. When I pull up to the side, they pull their phone out. Making hella hits with these 9 G's on. Shout out gang, yeah, they put me on. I ain't really had nobody put me on. You a dork ass like a neon. I don't give a fuck, bitch, what you be on. Yeah, I'm not the one to lean on. What I have to do is just say she's wrong. Okay, let's do it. I ain't got wrong with you, I just can't stop. Okay, let's go.
And this be from Cash, not from YouTube.
Let's go. Just got home with my little baby, it just hit 1 o'clock. Bad girl when I'm with you, and I just can't stop. Always on point for me, always on point for me when I'm not. You make me feel good while I'm working these shots. Okay, let's do it. Like rock with me, baby. Ain't no stopping, baby. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. I'm his favorite lady. Like, I got that shit so good, that shit that make him crazy. Yeah, I wanna give you love, don't act crazy. Want you to be the one to give me my baby. Want you to be the one to give me my baby. Okay, let's do it. My ex wanna fuck, but I'm off that. You wanna fuck, but I'm off that day. It's time to move on and get a new bed. Oh shit. Just got home with my little baby, it just hit 1 o'clock. Bad girl when I'm with you, and I just can't stop. Always on point for me, always on point for me when I'm not. You make me feel good while I'm working these shots. Okay, let's do it. Like rock with me, baby. Ain't no stopping, baby. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. I'm his favorite lady.
I ain't really got time for you, but I always find a slot. Left the stool 4 a.m., now I want you at my spot. You always on point for me, always on point for me when I'm not. Anybody try to play with you, ain't ducking these shots. Okay, let's do it. Rock with me, baby. Ain't no one stopping us, baby. Okay, let's do it. You my favorite lady. Okay, let's do it. My ex wanna fuck, but I'm off that. Used to pay her rent, but I ain't giving her shit. It's time to move on and make it my chick, Both our exes broken, we getting rich,
Just got home with my little baby, it just hit 1 o'clock. Bad girl when I'm with you, and I just can't stop. Always on point for me, always on point for me when I'm not. You make me feel good while I'm working these shots. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, she like, boy, you better not cheat. I'm like, chill, it's how it gotta be. That's why I gotta leave. I smoked the blunt and went viral for the week. I got a lot of reach. Me the streamer and make them hot as me. That's why I gotta leave. I smoked the blunt and went viral for the week. Goddamn, get off my Deasley. Get off my Deasley. Goddamn, get off my Deasley. Get off my Deasley. Damn, Deasley. Damn, Deasley. Damn, Deasley. Damn, Deasley. I'm not these rappers, I got real bands. In the crib, bustin' my tail lil dance. I don't troll, I do it for the real fans. Play this song and turn it with my little man. And my real name Max. And I really got plaques, yeah. Double digits, no cap. I'm the real Plaque Boy Max. Plaque Boy Max. Yeah. Plaque Boy Max. Plaque Boy Max. I'm the real Plaque Boy Max. In the crib counting on my plaques. Tell Casa not react to that. And nigga never say I'm whack. Don't rate it, leave it to the chat. Chat. Don't rate it, leave it to the chat. Chat. Don't rate it, leave it to the chat. She like, boy, you better not cheat. I'm like, chill, it's how it gotta be. That's why I gotta leave. I smoked the blunt and went viral for the week. I got a lot of reach. Me the streamer and make them hot as me. That's why I gotta leave. I smoked the blunt and went viral for the week. I smoked the blunt and went viral for the week.
Niggas wanna see me down, that's okay. Show you how to work that still, work that 9, work that Drake. And still smoking on loud, of your sounds like I'm Drake. If it's up, can't turn me down, I'm gon' find out where you stay. Smoking Zaza out the pound, off the ground in LA. And the rank, I'm with Bloodhound, soon as I land, time to go play. Finna fuck your bitch so good, I'm kicking her out, I ain't gon' no dates. First stop, gotta grab my weed and my drink when I'm in the J. I'm holding it down, I'm holding it down, I'm holding it down. These 2 to 3 shells gon' bust through the wall, then you hit the ground. I don't like you only love me cause I buy you diamonds and rings. Money is my only goal, but money is not everything. I wanna spend a cool 50 grand, call her Johnny Dane. It took me some time, I stayed on myself and stayed on my lane. Yeah, take up like a rocket, I'm having this motion, so I gotta pop it. Yeah, get turned up, I'm turned to the max, so max, can't nobody stop us. Lately I've been on the road, I've been on that grind, ain't getting no sleep. Money sign, dollars, when I see them commas, I turn to a geek. Them niggas that want me to fail, that want me to flop, ain't fucking with me. Them niggas that want me to fail, that want me to flop, ain't fucking with me. Niggas wanna see me down, that's okay. Show you how to work that still, work that 9, work that Drake. And still smoking on loud, of your sounds like I'm Drake. If it's up, can't turn me down, I'm gon' find out where you stay. Smoking Zaza out the pound, off the ground in LA. And the rack, I'm with Bloodhound, soon as I land, time to go play. Finna fuck your bitch so good, I'm kicking her out, ain't gon' no dates. First stop, gotta grab my weed and my drink when I'm in the J.
And I was like, watching like BlueberryMarkets and like D Savage, Playboy Max and D Savage. They're making some shit.
We love D Savage.
Peace out, chat. I love you guys.